Market sent me running. Unbelievable. Let me get some music going here, guys. The music. Good morning. Good morning, TC. Good morning, Diamond. Good morning, Virus. Trick. What's up? Make involved. Cryptomaniac. Well, you're getting scared. Ghost. Good morning, Jason. Hello. Hate QQQ. Okay. Music. Library. 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 Oh, no. Get this music going. Good morning. Good morning, Johnny. Good morning, Beth. Lazy. Good morning, Mark. Andrew. Good morning. This is not business. This is not business, guys. Kevin. Good morning. Good morning, Big. Uh, we miss the notes on one. The note. How much time do we have yet? 8 minutes till the market opens. You missed BBIG going up, Robert. We've missed the market going up. Zilly, good morning. Happy Monday, all. If there's anything to be a happy Monday. Olu, good morning. Good morning, James. Martin, good morning. Zach, I'm up. Stop yelling. well, wow, Zach, look at that. You're getting early. You're waking up early and earlier. Um, Good morning, Amber. Up is up. It's a split. Don't get too big up. It's a split. There's nothing special here, right? Um, Nothing special there at all. So don't get too excited. You haven't missed anything at all. That's not. It's not a 1500%. They've just done something fishy. That's all they've done here. So you take a look at this. Um, Look at that, right? So trading after change ratio. Okay, there you go. So yeah, it's a split. There's nothing on there. Anyways, so again, one is the number one gainer. I'm gonna ignore that though because there's nothing special there. I'm gonna quickly refresh just to make sure we're not missing anything here though. So BTBD is up what 60% on 3 million in volume. We have EXTN here. This might be one that we watch closely. Right. So EXTN here, unbelievable. You know what? I'm gonna leave that page. We can take a look at something else here. We can take a look at the charts before the market opens here. So we can take a look at the charts for most of those names. BTBD, BTBD trick, not BTBT. Emma, good morning. Good morning, Christian. Good morning, Scotty. Most top gators are vastly owned. Ricky, yeah. Like the top movers list this morning is in there's nothing special there. Thank you. So ETBD EN Interix and Eneflex is the name, right? So that's EXTN is moving this morning because of this, right? So shares are trading higher after the company announced, right? It would merge with Exterent to create a premier integration global provider of energy infrastructure, right? So if you're wondering why EXTN is moving this morning, guys, it's because of this, right? So we can take a look at the chart. So these guys again up this morning, top again, not the top gainer, but in terms of volume, right? These guys are doing really well. So let's take a look at EXTN here. Um, so we had a chat in Discord last night, again about what to expect from the market, right? And most of you guys are there, right? So the expectation is waiting for the market to again. The expectation is that we might sell off into again Monday, Tuesday, right? Because the Fed is having their first meeting of the year, right? On Wednesday, right? So to announce interest rates, if you guys know, the reason why the market has been struggling the last week or two is because of the interest rates, right? So again, so they're having that meeting. That's why the market's been struggling lately. That's why crypto is struggling, right? So the expectation might be wait, right? Monday, Tuesday, sell off Monday, Tuesday, right? And then maybe we can look for some plays as we go into Wednesday if the market gives us signs of turning around, right? So, yeah. And on the $1, I bet you will. I bet you will, Andrew. Um, I bet you will. With everything selling off, yeah. I'd be careful though, right, guys? Again, even though we have these movers here, right? With everything selling off here today, you want to be very careful, right? Not again. So you take a look at this chart as well. You can see that we pumped to this level over and over and over on ENTX here, and it's sold up every time, right? So 32 million float, right? Usually doesn't get a whole lot of volume today. It's sitting at 17 mil. Was sitting at resistance anyways. So again, right there, was sitting around this level here pre-market, right? So you want to be careful around this range because we've sold off around this range, like four times already. So just be very careful, right? And then we can go from there. We can go from there. Pixie's moving up as well. Sushi TV. There's no news though. Good morning, Star. Good morning, guys. What else is moving this morning? So we have Coles KSS moving this morning. So again, that one's expensive though. If you guys want to take a look, let me know. Let me take a look at BTBD here. Actually, BTBD. So this one's brand new. Hasn't been around for that long. Huh, interesting. So I'd be watching for that $4 level here for this name. See if we can break above it, right? What's the float for this thing, anyways? No data. Yeah, I might have to go look on a different side there. But I'd be careful around $4 here. Initially support. What should be resistance now, right? It's been resistance twice already, so I'd be careful around $4 with this name here. So again, today, guys, the plan might be to be careful and sit on your hands, right? Sit on your hands. Doug, good morning. And see what happens on crypto and with tight stop losses. Okay, sounds good. Take a big, take a BBIG, take a look at BBIG. How much time do we have? 3 minutes. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. BBIG is selling up just like everything else, though, right? BBIG isn't immune to the market, right? It's not just the BBIG sell off; it's an everything sell off, right? Like everything is selling off, right? So BBIG here needs to reclaim $3. So we need to get back over $3. But if the market continues to sell off, BBIG will not hold, right? So let me take a look at SPY here because this is what the market is following right now. That's again, so this is what's leading the race to the to the abyss. Um, yeah, 432 pre-market here. Yep, it's a sell-off, guys. So we kind of have support in this range here, right? So around this 430 for 427, but we might just sell off all the way down here too, right? We might just sell off all the way to 422 here, 424, right? So again, let the market sell off if it wants to, right? Again, so the Fed people are scared about the Fed interest rate hikes Monday, Tuesday, right? If so, what's gonna happen on Wednesday? Not sure, right? So again, we let these things sell off here, and if we can see a turnaround as the Fed is speaking, right, on Wednesday, maybe we can find some opportunities there, right? Because that might be a turnaround leading into the rest of the month, right? So or into February, right? So yeah, patience, guys, patience, patience, patience. Neil says yo, ready to la la la. La. Eric, what's up, Eric? Hey, yo, big spark. Let's go. That's been the plan, but it's hard to watch, Eric. Yeah, it's been the plan. It is hard to watch, right? So it is. Good morning, just chilling. Let's see, 1 minute, guys. So market opens in 1 minute here. So we're gonna put up. I'm gonna put up the SPY here, right? So because again, that's what's dragging everything down with it, right? So I put up three charts here. So SPY. I'm not gonna Shiba. Yeah, Shiba. I'm not gonna watch Shiba for now. And so that's SPY. SPY. Is that the daily? No, I don't want the daily. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Don't want the daily. I want this good old 1 minute, guys. As we're selling off here, I'm gonna put up uh ENTX. Is that what it is? EXTN. TN here, right? So see if this thing sells off at the open here. It's loading, like it's slow. So market is now open, guys, and the S&P. Yeah, there you go, right? So I'll leave up the S&P there, guys. Gap ups again, usually for selling. So EXTN here, no exception, right? Selling up just like the S&P here. So what else should I put up here? I know we have PIXY on here, guys, and PIXY's up, right? So PIXY's sitting at $1.50 here. Yeah, I need to go down. $1.50. So again, gap ups are usually for selling, guys, right? So try not to fall into these pre-market mover names here. Why? Because everything, the market overall is selling off. You know what I want to take a look at? I want to take a look at Macy's. So I'm going to put up M here. So Macy's had some news this morning. So I want to watch this one closely. Maybe we can look for some scalps here on Macy's. Macy's, right? So this might be a solid name here today. But again, be careful as the S&P sells off there. Tesla, guys. So Tesla is sitting at wow. Look at Tesla. So Tesla is trying to bounce here into the open, right? So these correction. You mean a crash? No, I mean a correction, guys. This is a stock market correction. The market corrects. The market was overextended, right? So it has to correct. Yeah. Mm. Neil is back to celebrate the gains. Back to celebrate the gains, Drew. So again, the S&P selling off, right? EXTN selling off as well. Macy's selling off. So most of these names are selling off at the open, guys. Again, no rush at all. No rush at all, guys. Um, dip, Robert, dip. Market open. Yeah. Dustin, good morning. Virgo, good morning. Ron, good morning. Cash ready for these opportunities. Exciting, Ron? It's exciting, right? So, good morning, Dan. Dan says, good morning, beautiful people. Devin, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Um, yeah, there you go, guys. Again, this isn't a stock market crash. This is a correction, guys. So, market was overextended and it had to correct. So here we go with S&P trying to bounce here. We're currently holding that 430 level here, so that's what we hit this morning, right? 430 and holding. So 430 would be a psychological level of support. So let's see if we can keep holding that and start pushing here. So Macy's again. So what's the news for Macy's again? I might need to take a look at Discord, guys. Can't quite remember now. Macy's. Ooh, let me take a look at Tesla again here. So Tesla, guys. So Tesla bouncing, right? So Tesla bouncing, AMC bouncing as well. AMC bouncing at that $16 level, right? So, which is amazing. So AMC, very nice, bouncing off 16. It's the same level that it bounced at last week. Okay, there you go. AMC, so Macy's bouncing, pushing this morning sentiment with calls, right? So KSS, there you go. Zoom out, zoom out. Trick says zoom out. That has been under the since the start of COVID, Matt. No, look at some wartime stocks, some wartime stocks. What we're looking at now, Zion. Can you take a look at some wartime stocks? So yeah, I can take a look. BA, yeah, BA is also a wartime stock. I'll take a look. We're having a little bit of a bounce right now. So again, the question is, can we continue though, right? So patience, guys, no rush at all, right? So we can have a 1 minute bounce here, 5 minute bounce, right? The question is, can we hold the bounce, right? If not, well, if we can start creating some higher highs here, guys, okay, and then we might have some opportunities for scalps. But for now, right, patience, 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 patience here. So S&P still sitting basically flat there. Macy's flat as well. EXTN slowly selling off, right? So no rush at all, like no rush at all here, you know. Yeah. Funny how the market was extended when retail investment was at the height, and now everyone's money is the need correction. Eric, I know. Um, everyone's the need correction. Yep. I don't know. Yeah. Are you guys a question for you guys in the chat? Are you guys buying anything? Just maybe just a yes or no. Are you guys buying anything at all today, or are you just watching? Let me know. Yes or no. Are you buying anything? Right. I want to see what you guys are doing. What you guys are doing here. What's that on the right hand side? Is that that's okay, that's MBOT. So MBOT is another one that's right, that's moving this morning. So sell off into the open and it's trying to bounce here now. MBOT has no news, right? So so that says no, you're buying everything. Wow. Eric says nope, absolutely not, right? So uh Sierra says you're buying some space. No more space, please, Sierra. Everything is going down, right? Into the Fed meeting, guys. Again, Fed meeting, right? Interest rates talk on Wednesday. So the market's been scared about interest rates. You take a look. You notice every time we've hit every time we've the market is, every time we've mentioned like any event leading into any event that's talking about interest rate hikes, right? The market is sold off. It doesn't matter, crypto or stocks, right? Every time this we're going into something that's concerning interest rates, right? The market panics, right? So that's what we're going to into Wednesday, right? The first Fed meeting into Wednesday. So be careful, right? No rush at all. HUD is looking good. Okay, looking good here. So what's look at that, guys. What's this? RVPH. Okay, you be scalping Tesla. Okay, sounds good. Getting some nice candles. BBIG is Dex. Okay, I'll take a look at BBIG in a bit here. So, what's this here? Interesting. So this thing is getting a little bit of volume, guys. RVPH, right? So let's see if we can see if this can continue here. Again, the market just opened, guys. Let's give it a few minutes, right? Before we make decisions here. Back over $3. Okay, we're good, good, good. BBI just coming back to life. Perfect. So let's go back over here. So let's see. Macy's. Okay, Macy's is not really doing a whole lot. I'm gonna put a BBIG in the middle here, guys. BBIG. We're back above $3. Okay, nice, very good. Those are actually nice little green candles here, right? So see if we can hold above green, guys. Back up above $3 and get back to green, right? So again, with the S&P selling off, be careful, careful here. So, oh yeah, BBIG is trying. There we go, BBX. So is Macy's actually. So Macy's is trying to go for a nice little run here. Market seems to be doing a little bit better now, right? So la la la. To 1400, Ricky. Okay. La, la. It could double. We know Tesla is gonna do well when it comes to earnings, right? They've said it already. They talked about the earnings already and the expectations, so we expect Tesla to do well, right? So Tesla, little sell off there, right? So ways to go. AMC is actually looking good. So it's bounced off that $16 level here, and it's just slowly climbing. It's going. It's trying to go here, right? Did some then took a huge dump exactly. So fire everybody. You hit the market today, Scooter. You hit the market. I know that's okay though. It's part of the cycle. Part of the cycle here. 306, 303. Yeah. Again, guys, if the S&P sells off here, right? This is again the S&P ETF sells off here. Everything is gonna sell off with it, right? You notice again when this thing tries to go, even BBIG goes as well. But when it sells off, BBIG retraces, right? So again, this thing needs to figure out its rubbish and start pumping here. Oh yeah, it's trying now. Look at Macy's actually, guys. Macy's is yeah, Macy's is trying. So we're sitting at the highest of the day here for Macy's, right? It's trying to move here. So see, we might be able to maybe scalp some Macy's, Drew. We'll see, right? So, la 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 la. Let me catch up to the comments here. Good morning, Augie. Good morning. Good morning. La la la. Tesla could boost margins. Okay, good. Get that chart off. What chart? The EMC chart? Uh, get that chart off, Andrew. Good morning, Christo. Good morning. Uh, Give it an hour and see what it's doing exactly, Eric. Right? So yeah, give it a little bit of time, guys. Here you go. Yeah, the S&P is currently sitting at the highest of the day, so which is good, right? So see if we can break out of this 133 range here, right? Oh yeah, looks a little bit better there. BBIG, there you go, right? So as if S&P hits the highs of the day, everything looks better, right? So Macy's, yep, going for a nice little run here, right? So BBIG, yep, right? So and you know what's funny? As the S&P goes up there, AMC sells off a little bit as actually, so which is interesting, right? The S&P's AMC is retracing here with as everything turns around. So I don't know what 33% profitability on Tesla cars. Yeah. La 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 la. What are your thoughts on baby Tesla? What's baby Tesla? Is that a coin? Is a coin called baby Tesla now? What's up, Juba? Hello. Peloton? Melissa, you in Peloton? I can take a look at Peloton. Peloton. Oh yeah, the S&P's it's trying, right? So it's trying. Yeah, BBIG is just again at least it's holding $3 for now. So see if we can hold three and go for a nice little run here back to green, right? So that would be really nice. Again, we need the S&P for that though. Macy's. Oh yeah, Macy's had a nice little retracement here too. Nice little retracements. Let me take a look at Peloton here because I know Peloton is one that we might be able to. Oh wow, Peloton's actually green. Peloton is green, guys. Wow, interesting. 27:30. Wow. My chart for Peloton they just delayed. It's slowly loading for some reason. Not sure what's happening here. It's super slow. There we go. So that's Peloton. So we know how important this $30, $27 level is for Peloton, right? So it's trying to hold it. Yeah, Peloton's actually looking. Yeah. The on PIXY. PIXY good scalp, yeah. So let me take a look at PIXY. So PIXY is one that we wanted to take a look at as well. PIXY was at $1.50 the last time we looked at it. Yeah, it's trying there. So again, support at 140 here. So we came back this morning, right, and tested the 140 level, right, at the open push, retraced to 140 there, hold that support, and it's trying here now, like it's going. So yeah, PIXY looks good, right? So mostly I'm sure some of you guys are holding PIXY. So yeah, we'll cross it if it does. It's gone, but okay, sounds good. So, just be careful, guys. PIXY resistance at 175, right? So PIXY 175. You can see that line already at 175, right? So be careful with the FOMO at 175 on PIXY here. So resistance again 175. So be cautious here on PIXY. PIXY Peloton. Oh yeah, Peloton is going. Wow, wow, wow. It's it's a pump this morning for Peloton. Why the S&P struggles a little bit now. La la la. La la. Stuart. Stuart says yo 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 yo. Yeah yeah. There you go. Ricky says, Mindy on stream today. Yeah, Mindy's in the studio. Mindy's in the back studio. You know what Mindy did, guys? So you know what Mindy did? Mindy decided. They fired you. Mindy chipped her tooth, guys. So now she can't even come on the stream until she gets her tooth fixed, guys. So she has to no, so she has to get a doctor's appointment, Ricky, and get her tooth. So yeah, decided to go chip her tooth. Unbelievable. So that's what's going on there. But she's in yeah, yeah. What's up, Willie? $2 today. We'll hit it above $2 today, Musty. That's okay, right? So that's okay. Again, just be careful. We filled at this level a few times already, Musty, right? So see if we can clear that level. The S&P is retracing here now, right? So back to that 130. You know what's really impressive is Peloton still holding up there. I'm sure again. So look how hard this thing is selling up now, though, right? So oh yeah, it's pushing for the lows of the day here. So again, if this thing drops below 130, right, expect everything else to struggle. Oh yeah, it's about to hit the lows, about to hit those lows, guys. And Peloton is still holding up. Wow, PIXY holding up as well here. So interesting. La, la, la. At 16, okay. Yeah, let's see. 16. What's AMC at, guys? So AMC is back to Tesla selling off as well, right? As the S&P sells off, you expect everything to sell off with it, right? So good call, Peloton, Melissa. Yeah. So AMC selling off as well with everything. So yep. La, 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 la. Tesla's tanking. Yeah, the S&P is selling up though, right? So again, guys, that's the expectation, right? Sell off Monday, Tuesday potentially, right? And then let's see what happens into Wednesday. So no, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. BBIG is rubbish. As nah, you in? You're screwed, Scooter. Yeah, no, yeah. Be careful today, guys. Again, safety, safety first. If you're not sure what to do, guys, pick safety, please. Right? If you're not sure what to do, please be safe. Right? The S&P is sitting at the lows of the day now. This thing broke below 430 here, so be careful. Right? Be careful. Be careful. Please and thank you. Peloton impressively, like Peloton is actually doing really well for some reason. Um, yeah. Stop my crazy music, my crazy music. Cause. Oh yeah, look at Peloton go, guys. That's impressive. Uh, wow. Oh yeah. Huh. Everything's struggling. Peloton doing well. There's always a name. There's always something that does. There's always something that does that. Then 16. Yeah. Can you give me advice on Lazy? Were you the one that sent that message on Twitter? Um, was that you on Twitter? Lazy. So when you're looking for covered calls, you're looking for something that's unreachable, right? So something that you're not expecting to get there, so you can eventually, like, when those things expire, you can keep the premium, right? So you love that crazy music, yeah. So um, yeah, that was you. Okay, sounds good. What stock was it again? What stock was it? We can take a look. So let me know what stock it was here. Let us know tomorrow with the music sounds like Earl. Okay, Robinhood. You're looking for some covered calls on Robinhood. Again, so you're looking for something that you're looking for a price. You're looking for something it's not gonna get to, right? So Robinhood. Let me take a look at Hood here. Do we have Hood up? No. So yeah, let's see. So Hood is currently sitting at what, $12? Let's take a look at the daily here. Oh yeah, Robinhood has been Robinhood's been absolute rubbish, selling off with everything. Look at that! Like, look at Robinhood, guys. Um, yeah, wow. Sitting at all-time lows for Hood here. I know one was a split Andrew, so it's up 1400, 1500%. It's just a split though, so avoid that. Must um, um Oh yeah, is that Pixie? Yeah, Pixie's breaking above that what that 175 there, 180 now, right? So what are you looking for? I know there's another level here, 184, right? But that $2 level again. So see if we can break above, come back, test, hold, right? If we can break above this 175, come back and test and hold it, then that's a good sign. Right? Hopefully, maybe what happens here with Pixie is as the rest of the market sells off, right? Pixie might be a name that people look for, that people look to as again. So we're gonna avoid everything and come form on one name here. So again, it'd be nice to see a retracement to 175, test and hold it, and then continuation, right? So that would be nice. So yeah. Again, Peloton holding up nicely above $28 here, which is nice, right? So S&P holding that 430. La la la. This is business, Mufasa. This is business. I'd be looking for those like around like 15 and 20. For those cover calls. Lazy. So like 15 and 20s there. La la la. Especially like especially 20s there, right? So something that you won't get to, so you don't have to write those. So you don't have to like give away your shares, right? So, Tesla's at 878. Wow. Yeah, Tesla is just falling off a cliff here, guys. Like Tesla is struggling. Wow. Na, na, na. You don't like business anymore, honestly. This is the biggest drop since February or March 2020. Yeah, no, this is it's scary out there, guys. So again, be safe, please. Right. So if there's nothing, sit on your hands if you have to. Like just watch the market if you have to, right? Try not to rush into anything, please. Right. So again, the Fed is speaking again, Fed meeting on Wednesday, right? So interest rates. That's why you can see crypto selling off. That's where you see the stocks selling off, right? So be careful, please, and thank you. So um gonna see if I can get some music going here, some other music, so I can sign in as well, and let's see if I can look at anything. So get that going. Let's see here. If hope after earnings support, yeah, be careful. I just want to sign in here just in case we want to take some scalps, right? So see if we want to do anything here today. ENTX here. Are we bottoming it all? It's trying. I don't know if I trust that though, but yeah, it's trying. Na-na. There you go. Oh yeah. So again, this is what you're looking for in Pixie, right? So you want to break above resistance, right? But you also want to come back and test and hold it. So again, Pixie unable to hold that level. So would I be careful? Yes, I would. Look at the S&P, guys, right? Look at the S&P here. Again, this thing could easily sell up to 420, 423, right? As this thing is selling off here, everything is gonna sell off along with it, right? So again, be careful. What is a stonk? A stonk is look at this, guys. Oh no. Look at that. Drew, thank you very much. 80,000 on that. Okay, sounds good. It's okay, guys. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see that emoji on the top right hand corner there? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that at all? Stonks of business. Yep. Do you guys see that? Let me know if you do. So AMC is trying to bottom here a little bit. So let's see if it can actually hold it. So and get back above $16. If not, the sell off continues here. Uh, uh, there you go. Do you guys see those at all? Like the emojis on the top right hand corner of your stream there? You do? Okay, sounds good. um, Health is terrible. Is ramen? Yeah. In cash market cap is have. That's a good call, Eric Shaw. Yeah, NNDM. I mean, that's been a selling point for NNDM for a while now, right? So it's been okay. Well, these guys have a lot of cash in the bank, right? So but it's never actually amounted to anything though, right? So be careful. Be very careful there. Oh yeah, everything, guys. Apple, everything's selling off here. Look at Pixie now, though, right? Pixie's back to 160. Hey, so be careful. Peloton is unbelievable. Like it's amazing how strong Peloton is. And like with everything selling off, guys, Peloton's just been going up all morning long. And when the S&P retraces, right, this thing drops to the 90 moving average, and then it hits new highs again, drops to the 90 EMA, and then new highs. So it's interesting. So yeah, it's interesting. He doesn't care, J Powell. You're excited for what? What are you excited for? Good morning, Costa. Good morning, all. Good morning, guys. Good morning. uh, it's not business. This isn't not business. This is what we're doing today, guys. This is what we're doing today here. Top right hand corner. Uh, AMD. AMD is at wow. AMD is at 112, guys. 112. Wow. 112 is what we're sitting at on AMD here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's going because people have to burn off all the ramen rice to be eating now. Yeah, this is not exactly what we want to see here. Yeah, there you go, guys. Again, Peloton hitting a new high now for the day, right? So Peloton just hitting highs on highs on highs here, right? So every time the market crashes, Peloton retraces to that moving average, and then when it bounces a little bit here, Peloton hits a new high of the day. So yeah, maybe we wait for that. We wait for the next retracement here, right? And then see what we can do here. So yep, new highs for Peloton there. So interesting. Are you watching a Simpsons movie? It seems like that's what we're doing here. You know what? Uh, you know. Um, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Take a second to smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, yeah. So, again, don't forget to smash that smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Mm-mm. Let's see what AMC does here. Yeah, that would have been a yeah. AMC and Tesla moving together. How cool is that? When he hides from caught. Yep. Thank you, Drew. Um, yeah, let's see if AMC can hold here, guys. La, la. And of course, Peloton, guys. Peloton's like, you know what? You know what? I'm hitting highs on highs. I'm going high. Like Peloton doesn't care about anything here this morning, and that's the type of stuff you want to trade, right? Stuff that just define the market, right? So Peloton looking really good there. I'm gonna put up Macy's again here. What's Macy's at here? It's slowly loading though. So Macy's is trying to bounce here with the rest of the market here as well. So, okay, there you go. Cool. Macy's. Yeah, S&P is back above 430 here, which is good, right? So which is really good there. Nah. AMC, yeah, 1626. Peloton's, yeah, see ya. Has the team BBIG does, yeah, I mean we talked about that, the right, we talked about that already. BBIG has like the management team for BBIG is rubbish. We talked about this, right? So we talked about how, again, when you get into a position, please understand why it's moving. If it's moving because of FOMO, okay, only focus on that, right? So try not to rely on the management team to come and save and drop some news, because they haven't done it for the last 6 months, right? So why are they going to do it now? So again, technicals only. Get into position, guys. Set a stop loss, right? BBIG was good in the sense that we never actually had those like massive drops overnight, right? So this thing opened up for the most part flat, right? And we could set stop losses on the way down. So a good scalp is, you're going to say there. A good scalp is what you were going to say. Oh yeah, yeah, Crystal. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Come on, Peloton, give us some opportunities here. Let's see if Peloton can drop here. It's back below $20, $29. So maybe we can have some an opportunity here at 2020 at 28.50 ish, right? So maybe. So as the S&P sells off here again, back below 430, guys. So again, if you're scared, not sure what to do, sit on your hands, right? Pick safety, right? No need to rush. We're gonna have opportunities. Like the market goes in cycles, right? So focus on those cycles, please and thank you. So you can short the market when the cycle's down, right? You can go along when it's pushing back up. So again, the trend is your friend, right? So try not to go too much away from the trend there. Mm. Uh, Coles, Coles is okay. 52-week highs for Coles. 52-week highs, guys. La, la, la. His next play, NNDM. I like how we're getting spammed about NNDM now. In the chat here, NNDM. Again, nano dimensions. I think Kathy Woods has a position in that play there, anyways. Yeah, be careful. Good day to get average low, I suppose. I suppose. Wow, AMD's below 112, guys. Like AMD's below 112. AMD's below 112, guys. Wow. I'm just looking at some of these things here. Um, AMD below 112. The S&P selling off again, right? So again, guys, be careful. Be careful, careful, careful them. La, la, la. There you go. All I see is calls. All I see is calls. Yeah, I'm looking. I'm selling everything for NAMC, Jerry. Okay. The bots are in the chat now, guys. The bots are telling us what to buy. Macy's selling off as well. Like everything is slowly retracing now. So again, be careful. Be careful, please. What's AMC? AMC is trying to hold the $16 level here. As again, Tesla struggling, right? So. All those charts look very similar. Yeah, they're all the same, right? So all these charts are going to be the same. That's why we are paying attention here to the S&P, right, guys? Because again, the S&P, right, that's what's controlling the rest of the market, right? This thing sells off, everything else sells off with it. So again, the S&P, right? So yeah, this is big money, guys. This is the big money, right? So that's what big money is doing, and then this is everything else, right? So that's why we keep a really close eye on the S&P here. Again, you can see as soon as this thing tries to go green, look at what Peloton does, right? Peloton's like, pump, right? So, and there you go for Peloton. Peloton's back to 29 already. As soon as the S&P pushes here, guys, everything pushes with it, right? So, yeah. AMC, look at AMC pump as well, right? AMC pump with it. Tesla pump with it, right? So, yeah. There you go. Let's see. Uh, let's see. Uh, uh, has been won by field goal. Amazing for season every game. Yeah. As a Viking fan, glad to see take at home. Erot. A good entry is any price with Tesla. If you hold for 3 years, you earn with Tesla. Yeah, no, Tesla is trying. Tesla obviously has resistance here at 880. What level is that? Is that 880? We're sitting at. Yeah, 880, right? So Tesla has some resistance there. We know that level already in terms of support. So 880. So we need to clear this level here. You can see we're struggling there, but it does need to break above that level there. AMC seems to be a good scalp of $16 there. So it's bouncing off 16 over and over, right? So sub 900 is crazy for Tesla. Um, yeah, the S&P is really struggling here, guys. So be careful, right? So it's trying to pump. There's just not enough volume, right? Just not enough. It's back below 430 again, and you can see Macy, Peloton here sell off again. Macy's sell off, right? As soon as like the S&P retraces, right, everything else sells off. So be careful. Be careful. Be careful. What's AMC at still? Okay, still holding 16. Interesting. Really interesting that it's trying to bottom out there. It's trying. La, la, la. Elon is the Mahomes of business. Elon is the Mahomes. Yeah, be careful, guys. Again, S&P selling off, right? So, no, no. I think everyone that's mentioning nano dimensions in the chat is potentially a bot. Potentially, potentially a bot here. What's EMC at? 1603. James, you are a bot. You're a bot. Pixie likes 152. It's back to 152. Okay, back to 52. Are you guys buying puts on anything? Are you guys buying any puts, guys? Good morning, William. Everything is going down today. Seems like no bottom, no bottom. Hello, Rhodes. Are you guys buying puts on anything, guys? Let me know in the chat. Puts on anything? Wait till weeks. Okay. S&P, Peloton. You buying some puts on Peloton? Netflix puts. Jason, thank you very much for sharing. You about to be James? Okay, sounds good. Spy puts. Okay, sounds good. Um, yeah, the S&P's. Look at that, guys. Look at the list, guys. Look at the market. Like crypto, stocks, everything. Like absolute rubbish. Like look at that, guys. Stocks. Like it's sell off on everything here. What's AMC at there? 94. Okay. Wow, wow, guys, look at that. Look at the S&P, guys. Right, as soon as the S&P sells up there, everything goes with it, right? So be careful, please, and thank you. Be careful. Um, be careful, careful, careful. Mm, mm, mm. Puts on SPY and calls on SQQQ. Okay, nice, Obong, nice. What's the price of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is at, what's Bitcoin at? Let's see here. BTC. Am I thinking work here? 32,600 is what we're sitting at. So the S&P is trying to bounce here a little bit. So AMT, interesting. One second, guys. I just wanted to see if I can take care of a scalp here. Mhm. There you go. Can we musty, unbelievable. ADA's under one. ADA's below $1. Yeah, like wow. It's like it's unbelievable. Like what some of these things are at, right? So unbelievable. VIX is up 26%. Yep, right. So again, the S&P needs to go for a little run here, please and thank you. Go go go. Peloton is bouncing. Like Peloton's pretty strong here today, right? It's holding up really strong here. We're gonna need the S&P to bounce here a little bit. because it's not helping anything this morning, right? So we're really gonna need that thing's 82. Damn it. Uh, hmm. Then we bounce. Gonna need 400, please. Gonna need 400, please. Oh yeah, everything's looking really weak this morning. Like really weak. So meta coins, anyone holding rank? Oh yeah, this isn't helping, guys. We're about to hit the lows of the day here again for AMC and everything else, right? Look at Peloton, guys. Right, Peloton's back to $28 here now as the S&P sells up. Macy's hitting the lows of the day, guys. Right, so as the S&P hits the lows, most of these names are selling off hard here now. Unbelievable. In 82. Coin sauce. No, gonna need a blood infusion this week because you're bleeding. Yeah, AMC is not looking so hot here, guys. Not looking good at all here. So, 1575 is the low. Okay, is the low today here? 1566. Okay. Let's see. Wait, is Dogelon? La la la. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. Here we go for the S&P. Is that Tesla? No, that's Tesla. That's Tesla just selling off. No, that's actually Spy. Okay. Yep. New lows of the day for the S&P, guys. Below, right? Those puts are what right? The puts. Today's day for puts here. Blood all of the flow today. Yeah, it's EMC below 1570 here too now. It's selling off. Like S&P not helping, guys. So again, if pick safety, guys. If nothing else, sit in your hands, right? Sit on your hands. Do nothing if you're scared, right? So yeah. And yeah, Peloton, yeah, look at that, right? So again, obviously the S&P Macy's selling off. Peloton's actually trying. So one of the stronger names here today, right? Peloton. So no, 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 no. Good morning, Katie. Fine, guys, relax. It's fine. Everything's okay. It's okay. Going. Yeah, Dan says I'm gonna go shovel some snow. Be back later. Okay, sounds good. Dan is not coming back, guys. Dan says I'm going to shovel snow. Be back later. Dan is not coming back. Dan is gone. Yeah, it's bleeding. Even it's your own. Buy when the market is bleeding for AMC. We need AMC to bounce there. Yeah, we need AMC to bounce there. 66 sitting at the lows of the day here now. So yeah, just business. Everything's okay. Everything's bleeding. Yep, everything's okay, guys. Well, yep. Come on, here we go. Here we go. Bounce, 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 bounce. Come on, here we bounce, guys. Come on, let's go now. It's go time. Come on. What's more, save the market. We talked about Wednesday. Stuart is what we talked about, right? So again, the reason why the market's been selling off lately is because of the Fed interest rates, right? So first meeting is on Wednesday. So right, do we see a sell off Monday, Tuesday, right, and bounce on Wednesday? Not sure, right? We might even bounce tomorrow. So oh wow, yeah, there we go. Come on, apes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go. There you go, guys. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Correcting as well. Caitlin? Okay, sounds good. Come on, give us that bounce. Uh, Lil Woozy Candle, Lil Woozy Candle. Yeah, some of these names are trying to recover here now. Peloton's still holding 28. The S&P is trying to pump here a little bit. So see if we can clear that level, guys. Macy's bouncing as well. The AMC, yeah. Mm. Fed current. The Fed is the current administration. Housing market correction in Vancouver. Katie, yeah. Uh, uh, na- na. We hear put until we hear from the Fed. Obang, yeah, you're buying some puts until we hear from the Fed. Yeah, not a bad strategy at all, right? So yeah, that's a good plan. Just another all in it together. Just remember, we're all in it together, guys. All in this together, right? So up and down together. So we're gonna have cycles like this. We sell off, right? We're gonna have we're gonna have cycles where you buy anything and you make gains, right? You buy anything and you're making gains. So yeah, so. Seems like it wants to bounce. I guess may help it. A cup of coffee. Come on, spy. Go, 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 go here already. Uh, so we'll lose us together. Trick says we'll lose us together, guys. Yay. Together, together, together. If you can afford to hold yourself, yeah. Yeah. Nah, 1 second, guys. Why is AMT selling off here with the S&P bouncing? Actually, that's look at AMT sell off, guys. The S&P is bouncing here nicely. Look at the AMC though. AMC is doing the opposite here actually. Oh wow, AMC is falling off a cliff here. Good morning, Christy. Good morning. Good morning. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, everything seems to be selling off too, except for Macy's, right? So Macy's is the only one that's actually aligned with the S&P here. Other than that, though, S&P bouncing and everything else selling off with it. So, which is really interesting. Really interesting there. It's not 2025 yet. You're going to go back to sleep? Yeah. Go back to bed, guys, until 2025 here because it's not looking so good, right? So, help Tesla? Tesla? Yeah, no, the S&P is selling off, so Tesla is going to sell off, right? So, yeah, Tesla's at 875 now, 873. So, what about Marshall? GMVD. What's your position in GMVD? Can I just be a vampire? Wake me up. Honestly, I feel the same. Like wake me up in 5 years, guys. Can I just go? Wake me up in a year. Because this is rubbish. Absolute rubbish, guys. Nah. When do you think this will turn around as we go into the rest of the week, like Wednesday? Right, if the Fed says anything concrete, right, we might see a turnaround. So, uh, Katie, here you go. HUD is holding up at 473. Okay, nice. Holding up, holding up, holding up here. Need to sign back in here because I was logged out. So I need to sign in here and see if no, 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 no. You didn't expect this today, William? Why not? So the Fed is speaking. So again, this was expected. Right? So was expected, guys, with the Fed speaking. Good morning, Sunny. Good morning. Good morning. La la la. The collapse of the market is a complete mess. complete mess. Volume, not sure why it's moving. Hugh, yeah, I'm not sure why either. Wednesday, Alan, Wednesday. So the meeting, right? Fed meeting, Wednesday. So Fed meeting on Wednesday, guys. Uh, it's available that Big Daddy will be announcing interest rate hikes. I know it is. So yeah. Hmm, there you go. Your spirits are up. Looking forward to financial benefits when the market returns, weeks, months from now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Oh yeah, it doesn't look good at all here, guys. Not good. No good. No good. So 46. Okay. Like 5 years from now. Ron says like 5 years from now. Yeah. Oh yeah, these are opportunities for investors, right? Opportunities for investors, long-term positions. If you're a scalper, yeah, sure. But like short-term things, short-term plays, be very careful, right? Be careful here. So as you can see, AMC doesn't look good, right? S&P doesn't look good. Peloton slowly selling off. Look at that sell off on Peloton, guys. Wow. Right from 29.40, this thing's lost $2 already now. Macy's, yep, selling off now. S&P not helping anything, hitting lows and lows and lows, right? So be careful out there, guys. Uh, Need to sit in. If it gets any lower, I'll need to sit on under the chair. Um, Sit under the chair, please, and thank you. That's all you can do, Trey. Yeah, that's all we can do. It'll be okay. Take a break. Play puts, relax. Yeah, absolutely right. So again, play the trend, right? So or just watch the market, right? So try not to rush at all. So Shiba and BTC is selling off as well, right? So BTC is below $34,000, so Shiba is below 20, right? So as Bitcoin continues to sell off, Shiba is going to follow, right? So everything is going to follow. So, yeah, overloaded at Costco this weekend to prepare. Oh yeah. Oh, la la la. Have a nice. La, la. Overcorrection from the market. If power comes and is into aggressive, we will exactly wishful think. No, like Hugh, that's what we're hoping for, honestly, right? That's the hope. Sell off Monday, Tuesday, right? And then hopefully, some type of sound. Hopefully he comes on and sounds a little bit hawkish, right? Dovish, right? So hopefully he sounds a little bit dovish, so we can get a little bit of a bounce. That would be amazing. So try to keep positive, at least not to go into a toxic. Yeah, together. So there you go, guys. Again, so. Um, 10 more minutes to see some rebounding. Come on, guys. Let's pump now. Let's go for a little bounce here. What are we waiting for, Spy? Bottom, push back up. Please and thank you. Let's go. Come on. Nah, nah. Some again, if you're looking for opportunities, guys, long term up because like, we've seen some nice sell offs on most of these names, right? It doesn't matter, stocks, crypto, these things are getting some nice dips, right? So if you're looking for opportunities, maybe scale in, right? So maybe consider scaling it into long term positions, right? In terms of short term plays, just be patient, right? So be patient. 50. Na, 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 na. Come on, SPY, let's go. Good morning, crypto rockets here. Good morning. Uh, yeah. What's the 1570? That's resistance for AMC there. Yeah. So AMC resistance at 1570 there. What's Peloton here? So Peloton sitting at it's trying to bottom out there. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Come on, Spy. Go for a nice little run here. Oh yeah, Macy's is actually looking yeah, it's trying. So it's trying. Na 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 na. Come on, AC, get us back to $16, please. Get us back to 16. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, SPY. Go, go, go. It's starting to bounce back. Yeah, it's trying. It's because of the S&P though, right? Everything's bouncing with it. So, yeah. Come on. You can do this. You can do this, market. Bounce, bounce, bounce here. You can do it. One second. Let me take care of see if I can take care of a scalp here, guys. No, no, no. Let's see. No, no, no. Rebounding, yeah, we're trying, right? So it's trying. Yeah, the market looks better now. Trying to rebound here for most of these names. Trying as the S&P pumps, right? S&P, nice. Peloton, yeah, trying. So, la 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 la. And yeah, EMC is pumping now. So here you go. La la la. Let's see here. La 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 la. Good morning, Mr. Joe. Heyo. Get that chart off. Get that chart. It's always on here, Andrew. What do you want? It's been on here the whole time. Um, here you go. Thank you, Scotty. Thank you very much. Yeah, guys. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you wanna come join us in Discord, the membership link was just shared there by Scotty. So come join us. Rebounding, please. Rebounding, please, Drake. Rebounding, please, and thank you. So. You leave me alone, you. Do you have a no, la 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 again? So, question for you guys in the chat, right? So, question for you guys. Now that the market's selling off, right? Is there a name that you're looking to buy long term? Thank you very much, Beth. Is there a name you're looking to buy long term, guys? So again, put out some long term investment names in the chat, right? So, you two-timed AMC for PRG for a week. Um, Let us know in the chat, guys. Any long-term investments that you're interested in? Look at AMC back to $16. BB Diamond, are you actually looking at BB? Let's see here. EMC, you're looking for EMC? Okay, sounds good. You're looking at DWAC, NVIDIA, okay. Ford, Camatep, okay, sounds good. Right, so ETH, okay. Huh? I tried to. La, la, la. Let's see. 15 to $16 shares for AMC. Yeah, that's a. If there was a FU CK ticker, you would buy it. Okay, sounds good. Um, let's see here. PIXY is running again. Is PIXY actually doing well? Let me take a look at PIXY here. PIXY. Is it back above 75? Yeah, it's trying. Right. So PIXY again needs to clear that 175 level. As the S&P is trying to reclaim, trying to get back above 170, 430 there, right? So it's trying. It's like it's really trying. So let's see if that thing can break above there. La, la, la. Prague BBIG. Yeah. Yeah, no, AMC has some resistance around that $16 level there, Andrew. Some resistance. Oh yeah, Pixie's trying there. Can you guys see Pixie? Yeah, you can, right? So Pixie's trying to clear this 175. Like it's really trying here. Really fighting. It's fighting. As the S&P tries as well. So. Na. Lucid for sure is your long-term investment. Okay, sounds good. Pixie? What about Pixie? What about Pixie? Peloton, looking good. Peloton here. Yeah, Peloton is head and shoulder for Peloton. Okay, sounds good. Peloton head and shoulder. La, la, la. Only scalp for next few months. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that's fine, right? So if you just want to scalp and be safe, that's completely okay, right? So as the S&P finds its footing. LAC shred. What about LSC? What are you asking? What are you asking? What's AMC at here? AMC's at 84. Okay. AMC. Yeah, AMC is struggling with that. That $16 level actually. Struggle, bust with that. Yeah. $16 level. Let's see here. Nah, nah. Just quickly filling out some information here. Let's see. 27. Let's see, Drew. 20. 20 08. Yeah, no, the S&P is trying here. Like it's trying to go for a nice little run here. Wow, Peloton is going as well. Peloton did a nice a little bit of consolidation here, right? And then pump. So yeah, Peloton's trying this. So for Pixie guys, be careful with that 75 level, right, Musty? You guys see we keep failing at that 75, right? So you want to be cautious there. Just be a little bit careful. Be careful there. No, no, no. There you go. No. Okay, let me catch took off again. It's drying or more, right? So Spy is fighting. Yeah, it really is. So we need the S&P to get back above again 430, guys. This thing breaks above that level, and then yes, most of these names are gonna try and pump as well. So but we really needed to break above there, right? So really needed to get back above 430. Peloton, nice little pump there, back to 28, right? So there you go. And Pixie, you guys know what to do with that. What's AMC at anyways? AMC is currently it's fighting with that $16 level again. Yeah, it's trying. So la, la, la. Momentum. Okay, sounds good. Can you go to ATR Aseni? What about ATR? If you guys asking questions, guys, if you can clarify like exactly what you're looking for, what's with all the dark clues on Hangman? I don't know, Andrew. If you have questions, guys, please clarify those questions so we can take a look, right? So I'm in at this, so I'm looking for an entry into this, right? So there you go. So TGC, can you have a look at EXTN, please? I am at $1. You're in at 450, so you got into that name at 450, right? So you're basically flat on that name here, right? So you're basically flat again. So 450 would be a psychological level to watch. If we can keep holding above 450, you should be okay. So maybe find a stop loss, right? So you got in at 450 today alone. It seems like we've found a level of support at 435, right? So 435 in terms of support is what I'd be looking for. 435, 450, those two levels need to hold. And then in terms of resistance, if you take a look at pre-market, you notice that we've struggled at 460, right? So 460 pre-market was support, right? So that's a level you're gonna need to break above. For now, though, you seem to be fine, right? You're green on your position. Just make sure you have a stop loss, right? TGS here. Make sure you have a stop loss. Why is your life rubbish? You need an intervention. These two. What did you do? Right, so it's going there now. Look at that, 460 almost, right? TGS, it's looking good. It needs to clear this 460 level here, right? But you also need to again hold 450, right? Hold 435, and then push for 480 next. So those are your levels to watch there for that play. So good job on the entry there, right? There you go. What's Peloton at? Yeah, Peloton sold off again, guys. So Peloton sold off back to its support level here. So maybe let's see here. Let's see. And let's see. Just want to take care of an order here, guys. Take care of some orders before. uh, 50. No. Oh yeah, the S&P is trying. Like it's really fighting here to go, right? So hopefully most of these names can go with it, right? So mm, 27. Oh yeah, let's go. S&P bounce. Let's go here, right? So come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Glad I sold BBIG at 520 trade. Right. So this is business. This is business, guys. This is business. Um, nah, nah. Market is like Kmart's right now, tanking to nothing. Kmart tanking like nothing. Uh, Blue light special for now available in the stock department. Get them while they're last. Wait, does anyone else remember Kmart? Never mind. Yet Kmart, Scotty. Get them while they're So there you go. Uh, la, Platon. Uh, uh, Blue light special. Blue light special in the Kmart department, guys. The stock departments. There you go. Peloton's back to 2760. So yeah, quick, 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 out. So let's see if we can set up another scalp here for Peloton, guys. Peloton. Let's see. Turbo shoes. Yeah, I have no idea what Kmart is, honestly. So la la. La la la. Orders. Uh, let's see here. La. I just want to quickly take care of a scalp here, guys, and then hmm. La. There we go. You got this? Yeah, see a red, but that's now we can handle exactly. So, la 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 la. 40, no, 46, 27, 0.46. What, Dave, what is making you feel old? Why? Because of Kmart stuff? No. What's again? So Peloton, right? Struggling there a little bit. The AMC guys still failing to get back above that $16 level, right? So AMC again needs to clear 16. So needs to clear 16 there, guys. Right? It's fighting, like it's fighting. So maybe here now with the S&P bouncing, it's gonna go. So interesting. Never take life seriously. Nobody gets out alive. That's a good message, guys. From 8 Ball, guys. What was the question actually? What was the question? Let me see what the question was here. What was the question? I can't remember now. I can't even see the question, right? Never take life too seriously, guys. Nobody gets out alive. Is what Nightbot is what the 8 Ball is telling us, guys. The hot rates bot. So there you go. Are we done? Are we done? What do you mean? Are we done? Let's go. See if I can log in. I hate that this thing. Let's see here. Let's see, guys. Here you go. Okay. Mm. Feeling? Yeah. Feeling. Peloton, what's your entry point for scalping now, William? Just scalping every Peloton, like every few cents. So I'd be looking for 27-ish, right? See if you can bounce up 27 if you're looking for safety, right? So just be careful though, because the market is bouncing, right? And Peloton seems to be struggling a little bit, so I'd be careful there, right? So, yeah, so just be careful. Again, S&P is trying to bounce here, but most of these names are selling off though, right? Look at PIXY, right? $1.75, guys. So be careful. Be careful with PIXY at the 175. You don't want to be buying anything on resistance anyways, right? So be careful there. Be careful. Absolutely. So Tesla, guys, again, Tesla had a nice bounce. Like Tesla had a really nice bounce here from this morning of like 450, right? So 850, sorry, right? That's a nice bounce there, all the way back to $900, guys, right? So that's really nice. And since good morning. I bought some EMC at 1550. What time will I be screwed? Will you be screwed when it goes red? AMC is green for you, right? M sense you bought AMC at 1550 and it's green, so I'm not sure why you'd be screwed. um, as the S&P is retracing here a little bit, so yeah. For some reason, like Peloton is in okay, maybe it is now, so maybe it will now, right? Peloton's gonna go back to red, honestly, right? So this thing was maybe it's feeling the gap, but maybe it's gonna turn red here soon and just sell off, um, like just like everything else, though, right? Just be careful there. La 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 la. Let's go. uh, I'm going to the bathroom without a stop loss. Wish you luck. People, you're going to the bathroom without any stop losses. Yeah. At 10 a.m. I'm putting it what? Okay. Heard going towards $10. Yeah. Yeah. Um, yeah, let me know if you have any questions, guys. If you need help with your positions or whatever you're doing, right? So let me know. Let us know if you have any questions, please. let us know. Yeah, it's again, it's time for safety, guys. So please be careful. Don't rush into anything, right? Market at a nice bump. We might form somewhat of an inverse head and shoulder here, honestly, actually. So see if we can hold above this 28, right? If we can, right, you might form an inverse head and shoulder here and recover. If not, okay, cool. Then you're headed back to $26, right? You break below 26, you're headed for 20, right? So not $26, but like 420, right? 426. So see if we can hold 428 here, guys. Like 420, just above 428. You see this level on the left hand side here, right? Um, that's from earlier today, right? So again, right there, right, and bought head, right? See if we can hold around this $28. If not, and then okay, cool. You're looking for 26 again here, right? So we're headed for 28, 20, 28, 428 there. So PIXY, yep. Peloton, yep, selling off as well. So most of these names, guys, on the struggle bus. So be careful. Be careful, careful, careful here. Maybe see la. Okay. There you go. Yeah, see Peloton can drop here nicely to 27 or something, right? And yeah. Again, when you do scalps, guys, they have to be very quick though, right? That's what a scalp is. So William, I know William was asking for a scalp on Peloton. You have to be very quick. So in terms of like making a decision, right? These options, try to look and compare ideas. Okay. Lightning speed, guys, lightning speed. Lightning speed quick. There you go. What do we have here? Is that AMC? Tesla and AMC? Yeah, so Tesla again failing at that $900 level, right? AMC again needs to reclaim here word, right? Lightning speed. You're on standby? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. And the times too where you look for like 60 instead of like 20, like instead of looking for 27, you look for like 20 26.90 because those stop loss getting triggered at 27, right? Then you have a little drop and then you go off, right? So um Pablo well, let's take a look at HUFV then. So Pablo says HUFV, okay. HUFV 250 calls. So HOFV is an NFT play there. So there's a lot of volume on those calls there. Let's take a look at the daily chart and see what it looks like. The chart is just lagging here a little bit. Um, yeah, Peloton had a nice bounce there actually. Nice strong bounce off 27.20 there. Nice little bounce. Yeah, HOFV. This one's H. Oh, so yeah, we're sitting right around support three for now, Pablo. Right? You take a look at this chart here. Can you see that we're sitting at again? So this is the daily, right? You go back here to 2021. This was a nice double bottom level, right? So maybe this might be a level to watch here, right? So for around $1.20 here, hopefully this thing bounces right off this level. So it's currently green on the day here. It had a sell off to that support, right? And it bounced off that level. So yeah, again, 250 calls. Interesting. So yeah, let's see if we can hold off this level here and push for $1.50, right? That's your next level resistance, Pablo. But it's bounced off this level, right? In the last year, it's bounced off this level nicely. You can see that it bounced off this level again here today, and it's trying to go, right? It's up 8% almost, right? It's bouncing off support. That's a really good sign. So then I thought, what do you mean, Diamond? So HRV here, interesting. So we might need to keep an eye out for this name here. Um, let's zoom out here a little bit and take a look at that daily again. Like just so we can see that last level of support as well. Just want to see what that looks like here. La la la. Interesting. Okay. Na na na. Let's zoom out a little bit more so we can see like we can see a lot more like in terms of like years and yeah, there you go. So interesting. Yeah, it seems like we're bottoming, right? So for HOV here, so so probably picked up some calls for this thing here. We need to let's take a screenshot of this and post it in the trades ideas channel here. See if we can hold up this level here for HOV. Let's see. While we're doing that, oh yeah, Peloton had a strong bounce, guys. Nice little curl here, right? Nice little curl back to 2760. That's a nice bounce, actually, right? So off 2720, that's a strong bounce. So see if Peloton can keep going here. It got close, right? So William, right, almost to 27 there, close, not quite. So and bounced, bounced there. So mhm, 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 mhm. Here you go. And, you missed it, William? Yeah, that's okay though. That's okay. You're close, right? So off a nice technical level. Very close there. Need some water. Oh yeah, Peloton's actually moving nicely here now. Almost 2770. Wow. I'm with the S&P bouncing as well. You did dust off some of your memories. No dinner and coffee. Yeah. You're looking at that 20 level, William? Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice yeah. So with that, what you might notice is like the 50s, the 20s, and the round numbers, right? They're really interesting. So they're really interesting bounce levels with the S&P going there. Wow. Come on. See if the S&P again. So that's what we talked about, right, guys? We talked about the potential head and shoulder just above $28 there, right? Up 428 for the S&P here, right? So again, we kind of did that, right? So again, that's 28 there. So that's 28, right? Inverse head and shoulder, right? See if we can now push above 430 here now. So yeah, and it's going there. So inverse head and shoulder playing out nicely there for the S&P. So hopefully that drags everything up with it. It's dragging Peloton already here, right? So yeah, looks good. So back to Peloton. Peloton is AMC. So AMC still needs to clear $16, guys. Still needs to clear that level. Um, did I Rich? Yeah. Pixie's not the next GameStop, Peter. It's not. You want to know the last time we heard that? BBIG. So everything is the next GameStop, guys. It's all bots. Like all of these guys are bots, spamming the chat about, oh, this is the next GameStop. Uh, didn't get the HAV. Just pointing out the volume on those. Just watching also for hold. End of the day, perfect, Pablo. That's what I'd be looking for too, right? If at the end of the day we're closing strong and holding above that level, yeah, right. So we might need to look at that more closely. So, uh, Peter, you're not a bot. Wow, Peter. Okay, you're not a bot. Most of the people that spam that stuff in the chat, Peter, they're bots, right? Spamming. Oh, this is the next GameStop, and then they're disappearing. They're gone, right? So that's the reason why we say that. Most of them are bots. Um, Now again, Pixie, we're watching Pixie closely, right? Pixie again needs to clear resistance, right? It's failed. 175, like once, crash. Well, not a crash, twice, sell off, right? So again, be careful there. So until we can break above that level and hold above it, it's not the next, yeah. Tell him, Beth, let's just tell him. There you go. It's not the next spots. Today we're doing the math, guys. Doing the math and calculating all the funds. You guys see that gif on the top right hand corner there? We're doing the math, and the math isn't quite aligning there. So, yeah. Uh, we are bots, Chris. We're bots. We are bots, guys. You tell them no bots allowed in the chat. Dear bots, besides me and your brother knights. Let's go. No bots allowed in the chats. Um, that's funny. Uh, nah. Mhm. When new moon, the new moon. So the new moon, Beth. Supposedly it's supposed to I think it's January 28th is what is the date, Beth, right? So into the end of the month here, that's the new moon, right? So maybe that's when we see crypto bouncing, right? What's Bitcoin at anyways? Bitcoin is at 24. Okay, back above 24 here. Come on, let's go, please and thank you, right? Matic really struggled, honestly, Crystal. Matic struggle bus, right? Mana trying to bounce here a little bit, XRP trying to get back above there, but most of those names really struggling. So um S&P, yup, S&P is doing better now. Doing better. AMC. AMC is a what? 1584? Okay. We know is a bot. Is a bot. Do you remember that lady we thought was a bot? And I called her a crackhead. One of my faves. Amber. Um, the crackhead. Greeny, Amber. That's what it is. What if Blaze is a bot? Uh, I don't know. I don't know. Bots. No, yeah, Pixie's struggling. Like Pixie's, look at Pixie, guys. Wow. So be careful. I want to take up Pixie and put up something else, guys. Give me a name. Give me a name that I should put up here in the place of Pixie here. Macy's, maybe. Give me a name. And I'll put up something else here. Macy's. That's not it. That's like the Canadian Macy's. Oh, that's a different country Macy's. Yeah, it's selling off here as well. So something you want to watch. There's chaos in Russia still, Kevin. Yeah, there is. Right. So it broke the high low. You're selling Pixie for now, Mercy. Okay, sounds good. You started watching Hot Trades when people were saying Fami was the new GME. That's when you started watching. Yeah, Fami's the new GME. We're going to the moon. No, guys, no. CNCX is green chim. Okay, I'll put it up. If have I looked at Bex? Have I looked at S? No, I haven't. The drink company? No, I have not. SBEF. Let's take a look. So Splash is the name of the company. It's currently up 3% here, up 10 cents, right? It's selling off here now. So it had a nice bump into the open after the market opened. It's selling off a little bit. So let me know if you're in a position, Bex. Let me take a look at the daily though. The daily. Yeah, doesn't look too bad, right? You take a look at the last 3 days or so, it's been finding a nice little level of support here above the 50-day moving average here. Is that the 50? I think that's the 50 with I'm gonna ignore that for now because I'm not quite sure what it is, but it seems to be bottoming here around $3 Bex, right? So that's a good sign, right? So Thursday, Friday, Monday, right? We're holding around the same levels here. That's a really good sign. So just needs to stay green here and start pushing for 350 and $4 again. It looks better than most, right? It looks better than BBIG, for example. It's holding, it's found its support, it's holding it nicely. So my only concern is going to come if we break below $3. If we break below three, then yeah, that's a little bit of a red flag today, right? So for now, as long as that level holds, it's good. It breaks above $4 here, and then yeah, you're looking for five, right? So looks not too bad there. Not too bad. Get rid of that there. No position. You're just watching it. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. See if we can get back above 350 here, right? And if we can push it to $4, that's in this market. That's a good sign. Then it's ready to stop pumping. But a nice level to hold would be $3. That thing breaks below three, and then yeah, red flags everywhere. Sundial is the next GME. Is the next Tilray? Is the next Tilray M cents? Sundial is. Wow. Yeah, the S&P is diving again. Yes, it is, guys. Yes, it is. Back to 28, right? Back to 428 here. Um, and taking everything with it. The S&P is an absolute roller coaster today, guys. It's amazing. So we talked about this in Discord, right? How amazing this is when it comes for scalping, and it has been already, right? So some of the scalps that I've taken this morning have been very nice. So yeah, Peloton, over and over. So someone sent me a message here. I'm not quite sure who that is. Strange, nah, district. Nah, nah. Hmm. Nah, nah, nah. Just quickly looking at those things there. So it does what the it gaps. I gap. Mercy says it's ripping. Let me take a look. GMVD. Let me take a look at GMVD here. So GMVD, G Medical. Oh yeah, that thing's it's topping around the same level here. So you just want to be careful with that. But it's had a nice run here this morning already. Wow. Um, not sure when this thing is gonna update here with the pre-market after pre-market stuff, right? So that's pre-market right there. Into the open. It's had a nice morning, right? Just be careful because it's failing around the same range here, right? For some reason. Marshall, right? It's failing again. So once, twice, and you can see already what's happening there, right? So just be cautious here. But this thing clears 550 here. That might be really good. So 550 is what I'd be looking for here. What's the volume? Okay, 100, the share float 107 million. Okay, it doesn't have a whole lot of volume, honestly. Like there's no volume at all, right? So less than 10 million, and it's doing this. So just be careful. But I'm gonna leave it up for now so we can watch, right? 428 seems to be a level of support for the S&P here. Like it's bouncing off 428 here over and over. Um, Peloton back to 447. Let's see here. Uh, she's tried to get me. There you go. Let's see. I'm having a try really hard today just to stay green. So far, you're a tiny bit behind. Hugh. Okay. Yeah. Again, don't rush anything, right? So at $2, you're happy, Marshall. Wow. $2. GMVD here. Yeah, it's trying. Look at that thing go, right? So it's trying to push for that 550 level here, Marshall. So it just needs a little bit more volume here. Interesting. Really interesting here. Yeah, so again, resistance at 550 here, so just be careful. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Um, Peloton's been no scalp AMC once for there's no yeah, so and then Peloton has been a really nice scalp for me this morning. Three scalps already on Peloton, right? So those have been really nice actually. So let's go Peloton. Keep giving that volatility. We have a new member. Have a new member, guys. William. William, welcome. Let's see here. Give this a second here. Uh, I'm just waiting for it to load here. Beth is gonna tell me. See if I can pull up this on the other screen here. Actually, see if I can pull that up there. Let's see. Yeah, so hot traders, welcome, 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 William. Welcome to the family. Thank you very much for the support. Let's go. New member celebration, guys. Welcome. Let's go, virus. Let's go. Thank you, Beth. So welcome, William. Welcome to the family. Let me know if you have any questions. So Scotty, so Dayball just sent you a message in terms of what you need to do to join Discord, please and thank you. So come join us in Discord, right? So go over to the community tab go over to the community tab, right, on YouTube. There's a link there for you to come join us in Discord and just follow those instructions, right? The instructions there for everything you need to know. So you know, everything you need to know. Welcome. Is he still around? Lionel Richie? Yeah, he is. I think. Right. So, what's that song, guys? There's a song. You're beautiful. Is it You're Beautiful? I can't remember now. There's a song I like, and it's a very good song. Um, yeah, Peloton just playing games. It's volatile, and that's amazing, right? So from 27.30 to almost to 60 there. That's a nice volatility, um, right? Oh, and it's going now for some reason. Like it's pumping. And there you go, right, guys? For GMVD, right? Be careful with these resistance levels, right? You don't want to FOMO in a resistance, please and thank you, right? So this thing hit that 550, and look at that sell-off now on GMVD, right? So again, resistance. Be careful, right? Be careful, careful, careful. Them again. It's failed at this level multiple times now. That's a double top, guys, right? So be careful, right? Peloton, yeah, we missed this one. We completely missed this one here. So, yep, and it's gone. Three times. Say you, say me. La, 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 la. Next. Oh, let's see here. That's oh good. Yeah. Dump the VIX from to 18% now. Wait, it's actually like it's gone from 28 to 18 now. Musty, thank you. Wow. All night long. Is your favorite? Okay. What a feeling when you're dancing on the ceiling. Oh yeah, yeah, I like all those songs. I like all those very much. Let me skip this song here. Hi Bernard. Is this Bernard, guys? This is Bernard, guys. You guys remember Bernard? Let's go. Bernard says, "Whoa, Bernard, where have you been? Where have you been, Bernard? How are you? Good to see you, by the way. Wow, 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 guys. Look at that. How's work? How's everything, Bernard? Good to see you. You guys remember? Do you guys remember? Right? Andrew says, "Whoa, let's go." And let's love Chris. Yep. Can't trade anymore. I'm out for several months by the looks of it. Good luck. Why you out, Scooter? Thanks for everything. We'll join back soon. Why, Scooter? Why can't you trade? What happened? No, just a spamming bot. No, that's no that. This is Bernard, guys. This is our hype man. Bernard says, "Whoa, it's still." We've missed you. Yeah. How are you, Bernard? Let us know how you're doing. What do you think of Peloton? Can you do volume is significant? No, it is Cadness, and that's what I've been doing again. So I've been scalping Peloton, right? So, what do you think Peloton can do today? The volume is significant. Yeah, it's done. It's done better than most, right? So it's held up green nicely. It seemed to be bottoming here around $27, which is nice. It's holding green here, so it looks fine. Right, I'm not sure if you're in Peloton. Let me know if you are, and then we can take a look at your position there. But it's trying, but it does need the S&P to pump though, right? So if this thing sells off, Peloton is going to sell off and go back to red, right? So just be careful, right? So we're really going to need Peloton here to get back above 28 and for the S&P to pump, right? So uh you're wait, okay, so you're in surgery? Damn, Bernard. Much okay, surgery is okay. Now you're back? Okay. Bernard is back, guys. On your back? Okay, so Bernard had surgery on his back and he's okay now. So welcome back. Do you see all this rubbish that's happening with crypto, Bernard? You missed everything, or are you seeing all this rubbish now? Will Lift Spy? uh, yeah, it's good to yeah. It's good to see some. So I was on the stream last week, last on 2 days ago. Was it? Yeah, 2 days ago, right? So on the crypto stream, right? I was here, Bernard is here, right? So we're having some of the OGs come back. So yeah, that's amazing, amazing, amazing. Could if it breaks above 171, yeah, again, Leslie, yes, 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 right. So if we can do that, then yes. uh, Good to have you back with us. Yeah, absolutely. Nice to see OGs, Christy. Yeah, absolutely, right. So they came back with the market crash, Christy. Look at that, right? The S&P is selling off here, guys. Look at that, right? So we're about to hit new lows of the day here. Not quite yet, right? So, but it's not looking too good. So again, S&P struggling, right? Really, really struggling here. Wow. Back this weekend with Doge goes to 7 cents. You finally make, yep, exactly, Andrew. Peloton could run, yeah. Anything could run though, right? So Marshall, but again, Peloton is a name that's always ready to capitalize on the momentum. So it's a nice scalp. That's good. That's funny. Na, na, na. So U.S. ambassador to UN, U.S. ambassador to UN says we're getting ready for possible failure of diplomatic track with Russia, guys. Oh no, here we go again. So this is gonna cause more selling. I bet you this is why the S&P is selling off here now, guys. Again, U.S. ambassador to UN says we're getting ready for possible failure of diplomatic track with Russia. So there we go. Let's see what happens here. So we have a super. My thing is just slow to load here. My We have a super chat from Virus, guys. Why is my thing lagging? Interesting. For some reason, my comments are lagging. Virus said, "Whoa, whoa, whoa!" Let's go. That was Bernard's celebration. Let's go, Virus. Thank you for the super chat, Bernard. Good to see you. Amazing. Um, so Russia's Putin discussed a strategic partnership, coordination with Cuban president. Interesting. Interesting. You're in at 448 MG. Okay, sounds good. 448. Okay. What's AMC at here? AMC is trying to bottom at. Is trying to bottom. Yeah, AMC is trying. It's fighting here. For 1550. 1550 bottom. Okay. Let's see if AMC can form a double bottom here for AMC. Right. So see if we can bottom here a little bit. See if I can. Whoa. Yeah, for some reason my StreamYard is broken, so I'm having to. Okay. See if I can fix it here in any way. La, la. La, la, la. Let's see. There we go. It's fixed now. Fixed. Price target is $10. Okay. Five. 1 second. There you go. Oh yeah, AMC's just retracing here, guys. It's struggling. Like it's really struggling here. To see what it was going. No. Come on, apes. Push this thing back up. What are you guys doing? Do you remember I said my broker analyst said AMC to $6? I said this when it was $40. You think so? Musty to 6? Yeah. Yeah. To $6. Yeah, we're gonna need the S&P to bounce here for all these names here to bounce as well. So Peloton is still playing those games, guys. Yeah, still just playing some games for now. So let's see what happens here. Um, has skills. Who's that? Building a W. The S&P is building a W there. Maybe if we can bounce off this level, then maybe, right? So, but we need to hold above the lows of the day, though, right? So, yeah. Come on, AMC, give us some green here. All right, so see if we can hold all these support levels, guys, at 226 here now, right? The lows of the day here. See if we can hold that and pump, right? So see if we can do that. See if we can do that, guys. The flame. Anyone, PIXY? Steven? So PIXY needs to get back above $1.75 in order for that thing to go, right? So it needs to break above. AMC is not looking too hot, right? So Andrew, it's not looking too sitting at the lows of the day now. So it's really gonna need to get some nice pump candles going here. Gonna need to start pumping here a little bit. Come on, Apes, get this thing back above 50. Come on, you can do it. Get it back above 1550 here. Nah. 50. Steady. Okay. Yeah, AMC is struggling now, guys. So again, it's gonna struggle at 1550 now because that's your resistance, right? So, um, yeah. From your to God's ears, from my lips to God's ears. About what? About 26 million for volume. Yeah, I know. I know. Again, everything is selling off though, right? So S&P sitting at the lows. Tesla, it doesn't matter what it is, it's selling off. So yeah, AMC is no exception here. Yeah, that thing is struggling. It's struggling there. Peloton, on the other hand, Peloton's holding up nicely. Actually, it's holding up really nicely. So it just needs the S&P to bounce, and Peloton's gonna start moving. So, right. Come on, Spy. Spy just wants to just keep going lower, guys, and just lower and lower and lower, right? So, AMC, yep, lows of the day, guys. Unbelievable. Out of PIXY and looking for a new play. Otherwise, wait for the bottom of these. Okay, sounds good. Hugh. Sounds good. The targets. What's your position, Moonstongs? What's your position? We talked about being careful on that name this morning because we're sitting on resistance. Right? What's your entry? Let us know what your entry is, and then we can take a look. Moonstongs. Come on, Spy. Bounce already here. Let's go. Bounce, 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 bounce. Just came. Yeah, come on, Spy. That's what we want. That's what we want for the S&P, guys. For the S&P and Spy, right? And AMC. So we need that thing to go here. This market makes you sick, yeah, but it's part of the cycle, guys. So a question for you guys in the chat, right? So question for you guys in the chat, as again EMT is selling up there again. So market psychology cycle, guys. So let me know where you're sitting at in terms of psychology, right? If my thing here, huh, my overlays, there you go. So where you guys sit on this scale? Are you guys in complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, right? Anger, capitulation? Where do you guys think you're at on this on the market psychology cycle here? Where you guys at? Okay, I'll take a look at Moonstonks. I'll take a look. Market psychology cycle, guys. Again, obviously we're not on the pump phase here, right? We're not in up hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, right? Where are you guys? Anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, anger, depression. Where do you guys think you're at? All of them. William, you're at all of them. Okay, um, all of them. The markets. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. Scooter. I know. It's like just a green candle or anything on like one of these, AMC, give us a nice solid green candle here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You in total anger? Yeah, total anger. Um, let's see. Full Britney mode, shaving your head and eyebrows. There you go. Yeah, see if AMC can go for some nice turnaround here with S&P trying to turn around as well. Last hope should be on there. Last hope, yeah. Last hope, guys. Diamond says, full Britney, guys. Shaving my head and eyebrows. Unbelievable. I didn't see, Nick. You didn't see it on there? I know, Nick. I know. It is what it is. It's part of the cycle, though, right? So patience, guys. Right now is the time for you to sit on your hands or look for long-term investments, right? Try not to rush into anything at all, please. Please and thank you. So, where is all the volume? All the volume is all the volume is sleeping in. Optimism. Can't keep sinking forever. Moon. Yeah, I know. I know. So while we're waiting here, guys, let me take a look at. So you got Moon. You got into ENTX, right? So what that's the name of the ticker. Let me see if I can find it here. Um, is chilling a cycle? It can be, right? So chilling can be a cycle. So you got in at 433 into EXTN. So let me take a look at that here. So EXTN. So EXTN, you got it at 434. 434. So you're green in your position, which is amazing, right? So you're green in that position here. This thing needs to get above and hold above. So it's sitting above 450 now, but we need to clear this level here, like right around 460 here. We need to break above. Let me take a look at the daily chart here. It's again, so you're green in your position anyways. Try not to go red though, right? So when I take a look at this, you want to be careful around this range, right? So $5, you want to be careful. Why? Because we failed at around this level quite a bit now. So again, you're looking for $5, but also make sure you set a stop loss at the very minimum break even, so you're not going red, right? So again, you $5 is a target, right, to watch for, but set a stop loss at the very minimum. Again, break even, so you're not going red in your position, right? So don't want to end up losing it. So I'm going to leave this up for a bit so we can watch it and see what it's doing. But again, don't go red, please and thank you. Please and thank you. So let me go back here. S&P, absolute rubbish, guys. Absolute rubbish what SPY is doing here today. So AMC, yep. Oh yeah, that 1550 there. Oh yeah. Uh, let's see here. Yeah, the AMC, like it's AMC's being dragged. You know, like the S&P is just dragging everything down with it, guys. Look at that, right? AMC just being dragged down here by the S&P. So no more messing with. No, 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 no. Come on, Spy. Uh, not looking bad today. Art, okay. CNTX, okay. I'll take a look at CNTX. CNTX here. So CNTX context. So CNTX is that Zach Morris' name, right? Um, it's up 9 cents. Not really doing a whole lot there, right? Um, Art. So there you go. Peloton, yeah, Peloton's struggling, guys. The S&P is selling up, so is everything else. Oh yeah, AMC, that's annoying. La la la. Come on, 2024. I know, guys. Can we just go for fast forward to 2024, please? 2024. Let's add some magic dust to PIXY. Some magic dust. Oh wow, yeah. AMC's headed for that $15 level now, so to 15. Mm-mm. Not, nah. Be careful in French. uh, Is that 15? 15, 20 maybe? Yeah, we'll see. Be careful, be careful. It's bloody out here today. Like it's bloody, right? So again, the S&P is back to its lows. Back to the lows of the day here. So seems like we're just gonna continue selling off here. So again, puts all the puts are what we should be looking at, right? Puts and puts and puts. So unless you're scalping, right? So um BTC in French. Fais attention, fais attention, fais attention. Big dump. Beatrice, yeah, that thing had a nice pump last week though, right? Had a nice pump. So, um, wow, AMC, come on. You're going out for a walk? Yeah, go out for a walk, guys. Again, so if you're feeling like you're just losing on anything, on everything, guys, right? Just go out for a walk, right? So do something else, right? Go like shut down the computer, right? So stop looking, right? Right? Do this, right? Shut down the computer if you're just losing and losing and losing. So yeah, beautiful day for a short walk. Yeah, absolutely. Right. So the better things to potentially do out there today than this, right? So hit the like, yeah, guys. Don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already. Hit the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you want to become a member, come join us in Discord. So yeah, there you go. So smash the like, guys. Smash the like. Have a wonderful day as well, Beatrice. We are in one day. Have a one day monk. We're in the green. Yeah. You're scalping it, Obong. Okay, very nice, very nice, very nice. My puts look. Your puts are looking very nice. Okay, good. Scalp MG. Good job. Good job. Good job on that play there. So uh not. Let's see here. Come on, spy. Let's go. Already. And then turn around into 11. Yeah. You signed up with Weibo, Beatrice? What do you mean? I'm so glad I hold nothing long in the market. I know, right? So long term positions are absolute rubbish now. So EMC is feeling against that moving average there as well. So no surprise there. It's really going to need the S&P to pump before it can do anything because EMC is looking like absolute rubbish here. Look at the last 5 days. Can we pull up SQQQ? SQQQ for the last 5 days. Okay, let's take a look. 1 second. SQQQ for the last 5 days here. So daily. Oh wow. Yep. Right. And with the market struggling, right, Pablo, that thing's done really well. It's done really really well. Right. So no surprise there. It might just continue to pump into Wednesday, anyways. Right. Before it turns around here, that thing looks good. So um, it's sitting on like resistance ish, so just be careful, right, Pablo? Right, you take a look at the last three runs here, right? One, two, and again the third time here. So maybe this is where the market turns around now, right? With the SQQQ sitting on resistance here, with the VIX right sitting at those highs. So yeah, Bona, good morning, good morning, good morning, Queen, good morning. Yeah, here you go. Oh yeah, AMC's on the struggle bus, guys. It's on the struggle bus to 15. La, la, la. So patience with it, right? So good morning, Bona. Good morning, good morning. KSS. Yeah, we looked at that a little bit this morning. A little bit this morning. Uh, 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 la, la, la. Just looked at the market and it looks like someone stole money from your pocket. Bona, yep, right. So the Feds, guys. Yeah, you know what? EMC's not looking good there. So nothing else really is though, right? The S&P is actually trying to bounce here. I'm surprised these names are selling off because the S&P is trying to bounce, right? So it's bouncing off that level that we bounced at already twice now, right? Double bottom here potentially for the S&P, right? So bottom, another bottom here. See if we can bounce, right? Peloton at 27. Here's that 27, right? So it's bouncing off 27 as well. Um, so yeah, let's see if we can actually bounce or do anything here. So yeah, that would have been a nice little bounce here for Peloton at least. So there you go. Yeah, Peloton bouncing there off 27. So nice little scalp there. I bet you it's gonna give it away now with the S&P selling off though. So be careful. Oh yeah, here goes the S&P now, guys. Here goes the S&P. Uh, mm, oh, Peloton. Yeah, Peloton. That's a nice bounce from $27 back to 27.19 there. Nice, very nice. Na, 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 na. Uh, what is when is it going to run, Chim? I have no idea. When's everything else going to run? Right. So, no. Mm, let's see here. Yeah, Bitcoin is at what? Bitcoin is at 34. Yeah, 34.3, guys. See if Bitcoin can get back above $35,000 here, right? So, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is trying. Like it's trying to move there. So hopefully here. That's yeah. Come on, Spy. Let's go for a run. Let's go for a run here. Has given good trading opportunities. Yeah, it really has. It really has. Snail, Maurice. What's a snail? What's a snail? Did you guys sell BTC? What do you mean? What do you mean? Let's see where we are in the next 30 minutes, guys. So let's go for lunch, right? So let's see where we are in the next 30 minutes, and then we can take a break and come back for power hour, right? So the Biden administration identifies identifying troops for possible deployment in Eastern Europe amid in the midst of Russia tensions, right? Wow. Okay. Again, potential troops to Eastern Europe, guys, right? There you go. La, la. About the spy. I want the to pump the Rossa 2000 to pump. Yeah, nah, the S&P. Uh, nah. Annex. What about? We've looked at that already, right? It's an expensive stock. Do you have questions? Are you in it? Let me know if you're in KSS. We looked at that earlier this morning. They had some news this morning, right? So if you have any questions, please ask. About any specific questions, please ask. Uh, Yeah, the SQQQ is just the inverse of the S, like just the inverse of the QQQ, right? Just inverse of the like the market in general, if that's what you want to call it, right? So just shorting of the QQQ there. So yeah, just like the VIX is the inverse of the S&P, right, Christy? So time to move into defense. We're about to move into defense stocks. Interesting, guys. Can you guys give me some good defense names? I know we talked about some of them, right? So Boeing, potentially one of them, right? So Boeing, we can take a look at Boeing, right? So Tesla, what's Tesla at? Yeah, Tesla's trying. Um, it needs to get back above 880 here. So it's yeah, really needs to get a move on here. Some defense names is what we need to look at, right? So come on, Spy. I spy with my little eyes. Something that is, yeah, no, again, William, are you still here, William? You took that entry for Peloton at 27. Let us know if you did, right? So again, 27, that was a perfect bounce, right? So nice bounce, and there you go. So there's your scalp, right? So let us know if you're still here and if you took it. Power Rangers, what about Power Rangers, Musty? Oh yeah, Peloton, that's a solid bounce. That's a really nice bounce of $27. Mm, Power Rangers. Maybe a Power Rangers stream. A Power Rangers stream, guys, is what we're gonna go to now. With everything selling up, we're gonna move to Power Rangers. Yeah, most likely. Sad, but I think DY and Trump are on. I only hope. Um, Taco Bell stream is what you want, JA. Taco Bell. We're gonna be streaming about Taco Bell. Yeah, AMC just crashing now, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah. That's a defense for you right there. What is? Yeah, it's amazing how like everything else is holding up and AMC just crashing, right? Like it's just selling up hard. Um, it's getting scary. Uh, yeah, AMC's headed for $15, guys. There you go. Oh yeah, the S&P isn't gonna help you though. So yeah, yeah, there you go. It's all of this news too isn't helping. All of the news really not helping here with everything, right? So the Russia, inflation, interest rates, like everything. So cash is a position. Yeah, cash is the position, guys. Because we're about to hit lows of the days here, low of the days here. So low of the day, low of the day. Market today is you just hold on to your what's leftover cash. I know. AMC a buy at $10. Humbled Megan, I guess so. No, 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 because that thing is now holding back 16% for AMC. Wow. Right? So Peloton, yep, crashed below $27. Now again, you get in a position when it's a scalp, right? This thing was up 30 cents, have a stop loss, right? So because with the S&P selling off here, yep, puts, right, guys? Again, right? Um, that was the chat in Discord over the weekend, right? You're looking for puts, right? Monday, Tuesday, right? And then maybe hopefully something happens on Wednesday, right? So but we're seeing a lot of news come through about Russia, right? So uh, war not good for the market, right? So everything is selling off here now. It's a sell-off. La, la, la. Hello. Let's see. Mm, mm, bring back Putin and let get away with who yeah, General, yeah. What do we need, Maurice? We need some Power Rangers, guys. We need them to save the market, to save everything, because this is looking like absolute rubbish. Let me take a look and see what crypto is doing. Honestly, crypto's no different here, right? So no different at all, right? Bitcoin is at what four, still holding above 34. Yep. How do you do puts? Options, right? So we do have option class. So 1 minute moving average. Yeah, I know. On is how in the hell we tripped into war? Where's Superman when you need him, right? So we need some superheroes, guys, because unbelievable. Don't want to get into politics. Yeah. Damn. From like COVID, to to interest rates, inflation, to war, to all in the same all in the same year. Like what are we doing, guys? The market is going to zero. Wow, unbelievable. Is to the rescue? No, no, none of that, dog. None of that. More like I'm hiding under the bed, dog. Bringing peace to all, hiding under the bed is what I'm doing. Um, is this the musty? Um, no, we break. No, yeah. There you go, guys. So I'm gonna put up that emoji again. Is this how anybody feeling like this? Top right hand corner, guys. Anybody feeling like this now? Because this is like this maybe. All right. Oh no, S&P, guys, new lows now. Unbelievable. Like this? Anybody like that? You know? Um, you in Canada? What does that mean, Maurice? Well, that's all of us though. Like that? Yeah. Look at that, lows of the day for the S&P here. Not even holding back here, right? AMC, yep, below $15, guys. Unbelievable. I'm surprised. Like Peloton's actually doing a better job of holding, like around 27 here. It's doing better. Like it's doing better than most here. It's gonna go red, but yeah, AMC, yep, gone. So unbelievable. Dumpster fire. Not feeling that. Yeah, it's short everything, guys. Short everything now, I guess. If I would sell AMC is the average. I thought I would sell AMC at $1,000, or if you ever hit 1480 is your average, Angel. Okay, sounds good. It's just it's just business, you guys. Yeah, this guys. It's all the negative news. Everybody mad at America. All the negative news. Like it's just absolute. It's too much. Too much. One at a time, please. Look at the S&P now, guys. We're selling up to 124. That's where our support is, right? So right around like 124 there. See if we can hold that level, right, and bounce again. Base case is down until we start creating some higher highs, right? But again, we talked about this last night, right? Sell off Monday, Tuesday, and then hope we can turn around on Wednesday, right? But again, we're getting way too much news. Come on, Spike, give us 420 and then bounce. Bounce at 420, yeah. SH, Pablo, what's SH? What's SH? Uh, Welcome to 52 Glows, just past Jen the 20th. How are we doing? This Stewie? I don't know how we're doing. Well, um, long calls a genius. Nancy Pelosi's long calls and what? What's Nancy Pelosi buying calls on? I mean, long calls don't seem good for anything. You mean for like SQQQ maybe? SQQQ? Maybe. If she bought some calls and then yeah, that's amazing. Wanted sad says, hello, hello. Can I get the same of the indicators? Yeah, you can. You can. Right. So long calls for Disney, for Google and Disney just now. Elon Musk is gonna save us from what? From Russia? No, Elon is gonna go to space. That's what he's gonna do. Laugh at this point. Uh, Damn, Steve. Wow. All you can do is laugh at this point. My 401k lost about $130,000 in the last couple of days. Wow. I'm sorry to hear, Steve. That's annoying, honestly. That's frustrating. So again, the S&P is sitting around support for now, right? See if we can get some green candles here going. Right, so it doesn't help that we're getting negative news from left to right, though, right? Negative news here, negative news here, all over the place. It's red, red, red. So we'll see what happens here. Mhm. Audrin says ARDS. What's your position, Audrin? In ARDS. Thank you, JR. Thank you, JA. Thank you. Ja, Salesforce. Salesforce. Okay. Na, 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 na. Um. Na, 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 na. Red lines make you drink wine. Yep. Nah, I see you look. Na, 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 na. My scalps, I can't keep up the rest of the portfolio. I know. Honestly, it's rubbish. Absolute rubbish. I lost all my gains from last year on your retirement too on NJ. Yeah, I know. It's SH. Okay, that's a really nice. So when it comes to like shorting the market, right? SH is a really good one. I wasn't sure what you're talking about, Pablo, but SH is really good. And AMC just crashed now, guys. Like AMC is absolutely crashing. Like it's falling. Like like it's going to the abyss. Like it's going to. Yep. Like it's just crashing. Like no bounces at all on AMC. It's going to $10 now. So there you go. Mm. La la la. Oh yeah, everything's crashing, guys. Just absolute crashing here. Oh, I'm nah, my wife keeps saying why all the time these two why you say rubbish. Yeah, no, Peloton's a lot better here. It's holding 27 actually a lot nicer here. So um yeah, a lot better here. La la la. Mm, mm, mm. No. It's getting too hot, Pablo. Yeah, it is. It's gonna have to retrace at some point, right? So the S&P is gonna have to bounce at some point here. So yeah. The market is rubbish, correct? That's absolute rubbish. Again, guys, sit on your hands, right? Don't rush into anything unless like sit on your hands. Try not to rush into any of these names here. Please and thank you. All right, because the S&P is really struggling. Again, there's so much happening with like Russia and inflation, right, and all these names here. So just sit on your hands. Right, try not again. Sit on your hands. Do some other stuff, right? Because not even Peloton is struggling here. So, buy the dip. Rudy, buy the dip for what? A day Wednesday. Yeah, no, again, so we had a long call in Discord, right? So again, Green and you guys had a chat in Discord, right? And the expectation is, right, so down Monday, Tuesday, right? We talked again, so that was posted in Discord last night as well, right? We talked about that this morning as well, right? So again, down Monday, Tuesday, right? And hopefully the Fed says something on Wednesday, Wednesday, right? So it's to pump the market back up, right? So again, until we can see that though, base case is down. So again, we talked about sitting on your hands, waiting and waiting, right? So shutting the computer down, doing some other stuff, right? So if you're not sure, your hands are sore. I know. Mm, mm, la la. The entire market is on a dip. Which dip? Order says, which dip are you buying? Take your pick. Which dip are we buying, guys? Um, Going to wait for another SQQ if yeah, okay, Pablo sounds good. Mm. Can you start another channel where we can where we can vent on politics and respect your rules? Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. It's just like once you get into that, you can't control everybody else's emotions, right? So your hands are bleeding, Carlos. I know. It's rubbish, guys. Yeah, it's super chats, guys. Super chats. From Dan. Let's go, Dan. Do you have votex for Pixie? No, I do not. I know Red Days suck, but let's keep the faith, everyone. Yeah, guys. Again, the market is gonna recover, right? So it's all about cycles, right? The market goes on these cycles all the time here. So I'm gonna need to pull up the comments on a different screen here now again. So again, one second. See if I can pull that up. Where's my YouTube here? No, that's it. So again, so the market goes on these cycles, guys. It's part of the plan, right? We just talked about where we're potentially sitting at when it comes to market cycle, right? Market cycles. And you guys are saying, okay, you're ready to So thank you again for the super chat, Dan. So we've looked at Pixie quite a bit today. In terms of like what we're expecting here. Pixie needs to click, and so regardless of OTEX data, right? This thing needs to get back above that 75 level, right? You take a look here. We talked about this morning already. 175 is a level that you're not foaming in at. Please and thank you, right? So again, fail again, right? So again, $1.75. This thing needs to clear that level before it's ready to pump, right? So if it doesn't, well, then again, you're potentially looking for like $1.50 as support, right? 175 for resistance. So there you go. Yeah, no, Peloton is a strong stonk, right? Strong there. So it's done well, done really well. Thank you for the super chat, Dan. So these comments here, Tesla at 90 cents. Can't wait to buy Tesla at 90 cents. Musty, 90 cents. Sell off there. Always, yeah, Pablo, yeah, exactly. So, exactly. La, 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 la. There we go. We have a super. Do we have a super chat or a super sticker? Here's a hot trade dip. A hot trade dip. Let's go, hot trade dip, Maurice. Thank you for the super. Thank you for the super chat, Maurice. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Thank you. The dip, guys. Which dip? Yeah. I know we've talked about some of the names that you should be looking at to buy as we're dipping here, right? Some long-term potential plays, right? So some of you guys have mentioned Nvidia, some of you guys have mentioned Tesla, right? Apple's, all of these again. You're looking for to buy the dip. You're looking for these names that you know are always going to be here, anyways. You know these names are always going to recover, right? We've had dips like almost every year, guys, right? So think of that. Think about that, right? So we've had dips almost every year, right? Think about COVID, like 2020, 2020, right? So think about the March crash, right? March crash, right? So we crashed hard when COVID first came out, right? And take a look at the last 2 years, all time highs again. So yeah, the market always recovers, right? Usually. So there you go. Let's see. Has loads of great data, but too many just focus on short data. Exactly, Pablo. Right. So that's the concern, right? The reason I don't want to pay too much attention to that is because we pay too much attention to that stuff, right? OTEX, right? So yeah, take a look at the charts, guys. Even if the OTEX data says, okay, well, we're sitting at 60% short interest, right? If I take a look at that alone, I'm going to FOMO. I'm going to buy PIXY. But then when I take a look at the chart, I'm like, this 175 level is not a buy, right? So I'm not. So we need to clear that level first if we can. Amazing. So fundamental and technicals are data on the stock. Exactly. So exactly. La, hit low. Give me that div discount. Damn it! You're buying it. Okay, nice. Nice. BB. Miss you guys. Norman. Let's go, Norman. Had to get a road job. Norman says, miss you guys. Had to get a road job. Norman, it's good to see you, though. Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's go. Let's go. Norman said, had to get a road job, guys. What did you. Yep. Are making you feel better looking at them, Christian? Yeah, I know. Those are the names to play now, right? So the short plays. Cost to borrow is 300%. I mean, cost to borrow for BBIG. You guys remember what it was last week? Cost to borrow for BBIG around $5 was 300%, right? Over that, right? Well, guess what? BBIG still sold off, right? So I'm trying to ignore all that data now because it's been blinding. It doesn't quite lead you to the. I mean, it's a tool. It's something to pay attention to, right? Once in a while, but be careful with it. The market dips on, has always, all-time highs. Exactly right. Carlos says, for 200 years since the market infancy, right, the market dips and has always, right, set all-time highs, right, set all-time highs, sit on your hands, exactly. So yeah. No one is flipping fatties now. No, guys. Um, means time and time again. Yeah. FinTel data is rubbish. Unbelievable. I'm not saying it's rubbish, right? So I'm just saying from my experience, That data is leading people to paradise. In paradise, like into the fire pit, right? That's what it's doing. So I've been ignoring all that Fintel data, all of that show OTEX data, everything, right? So um, yeah, no, thank you. It doesn't seem to let's see here. My first year of trading, the market has taught me a lot. Christy, yeah, it has. It really has. There you go. It's ripping. ARDS. Let me take a look. Sure. So Pixie's 160. So Pixie needs to clear 175, guys, if he can, and hold above that level. Okay, and then when squeeze, right? When pump. Let me take a look at ARDS here. I know we looked at this one in the past. It's up 30% here. It looks good, right? It looks really good actually. So yeah. It's been pumping for the most part. It's a penny stock, so it's ignoring what the market is doing. So yeah, looks better than most. 211. Let's see what this thing does here for a bit before we make a decision, right? So not too bad. It's been a rough year to be a trader, Robert. Yeah. You mean like 2022 already? Yeah, it's been a weird month. But that Pixie. AMC is back to where you sold it almost a year ago, Robert. Yeah, I know. AMC's that's crazy. Honestly, that's crazy. I think people might just be giving up. I think a lot of people are giving up into the and money. 6 p.m. Eastern. um, you know who's gonna be on Mad Money today, guys? Mad Money at 6 p.m. Eastern. On Mad Money. You guys want to guess who's gonna be on Mad Money today? Is Doug, guys. Doug from Hot Trades, right? He's gonna be on Mad Money at 6 p.m. Eastern. How cool is that? So I think he put a question in a while ago, right? So I think he's just recovering now. So yeah. Yeah, rough year to start. No giving up, Marty. You can't give up, right? So you can't give up, guys, right? So again, you just have to keep fighting. That's just what the market is, right? Have to keep fighting. Doug, funny. Um, it's a scam as well, Scooter. EMC's a scam. And happy let's go, Martin. Let's go. Teamwork, right? Teamwork. We're gonna find some good opportunities, guys. As the market sells off, right? Hopefully, we're gonna find some good plays. What is Mad Money? Mad Money is a show on CNBC. It's a really popular show. Stewart on CNBC talking about stocks. Questions about stocks. It's yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can hold that MA there, that moving average for the S&P and start pumping, guys, for everything, right? So again, nice bounce off, right? Nice bounce of 2020 424 here for the S&P, right? See if we can go here now. Peloton is playing with that 27 still, but the S&P is really trying. Maybe this is going to be the turnaround, right, for all the stonks here. Maybe that's it. Most likely not. Hey, Nonya. Hey, small gain, still gain. Okay, sounds good. To 270, 270. Yeah, no, BBIG is nope, right back below, guys. No. Kramer got me Kramer got me good torch with torch. Kramer got me good with torch. Ray, unbelievable. Um, yeah, Kramer was in torch as well, Ray. Unbelievable. So torch, everybody. Damn. When AMC including BBIG and now minus $600. Uh, last year, yeah. Oh no, the apes have no. against the market, against the inflation, against Russia, against all these things, right? So can't really fight that. So check out Prague, weirdest price action ever. Johnny, Prague, what's Prague doing? Let me take a look. Unbelievable. I see what you mean. It's just lack of volume. That's why you're seeing that. It's just like there's no volume here at all. Um, yeah, there's not a whole lot of volume, right? It's sitting at the lows of the day, just like everything else, though, right? So, um, Kramer pumped Netflix pretty much exactly at the high. Kramer did, yeah. Kramer. 117, guys. Wow. I mean, it's been a. Oh, oh, the RSI. Okay, okay. Let me see if I can add that on there. RSI. Yeah, I mean it's sitting at the lows, right? So what are we sitting at? Like you mean just because it's sitting at like 40 something here, even though it's sitting at all time lows? Is that why it's like it's fishy? Like at 33, is that what we're sitting at? 34. Okay. Oh yeah, the S&P guys selling off again now. I wish I you some dry powder for what? What are you gonna buy? What are you gonna buy, Carlos? If you had dry powder, some dry powder. Uh, la, la, la. Absolutely, absolutely, Johnny. He did not. It will la if he la. Yep, there you go. Peloton 2680. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, 2680 for Peloton here. Potential nice scalp here for Peloton. Um, let's see here. Amazing how much money the CNBC make to pump such really bad calls. I mean, Pablo, it's it is what it is. Honestly, yeah, it is what it is. Let's see here. Uh, but it's, the words are useful. Okay. No. Years ago to do the opposite of the TV comedians. TV comedians. I know. Like that's just what you do. You do the opposite of what whatever you hear on TV. Honestly. If Kramer says usually like that's been my like my base case. If CNBC says to do this, and then I like I'm usually pretty careful. Um, if they say the market is about to pump, I'm usually careful. If they say the market is gonna keep crashing, then I'm like, oh, wow, okay, well, you want me to sell so you can buy at the lows? Okay, cool, right? So let me know if you have any last questions, guys, so we can right. So again, base case today for the market, guys, is lower into Monday, Tuesday, right? Base case is lower, right? And we can hopefully we can turn around on Wednesday. So again, try not to take on anything too risky, please, right? So sit on your hands if you have to, right? Don't rush into any place. Opposite, Christy, opposite, guys, right? If you have any questions and you're in Discord, please ask. If you need help, please ask, right? So no need to suffer on your own, right? We're in this together. So if you're struggling, right? If you're struggling, like honestly, if you're struggling, ask, send a message, right? Someone's gonna be nice to you, right? So if you just need a pickup statement, something, right? So please right, don't struggle alone, right? We're in this together. Again, don't struggle on your own, right? So this is just part of the cycle. We're gonna recover, right? Over and over. Down, up. We've been pumping for the last year, right? So it's this market, the market needed a correction, right? So again, don't struggle on your own. When you're out of dry powder, it's like the it's like window shopping. Yeah. So yeah, let me know if you have any last questions here, and then we can go from here. What's up, Aussie? How's everyone loving this bloodbath? Not good, Aussie. Not good. All right, so not good at all. What's Bitcoin at, guys? Bitcoin is still holding 34 for now, right? So Shiba still doing its thing there, right? And everything else, red, 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 guys. It's blood on the streets. You can see. Notice the last dip. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, you know what to do. Come join us, guys. Isn't this the best time to buy long-term investments? Yes, slowly, right? Slowly scaling. If you have long-term, for example, right? If you like Tesla, right? So you can start scaling in. But again, base case, guys, is lower. Monday, Tuesday, right? Sell off, right? Before we can talk about Wednesday and a bounce, right? So yeah. Itching to buy so bad, shouldn't I buy? Isn't this? You can scale in a big bad bull, right? So scale in if you want to, right? That's what I would be doing if you're itching, right? Scale in. So buy one share if you have to, right? So ease your FOMO a little bit, right? But just be careful because everything is selling off, like everything, right? So look at the S&P here, guys, right? We're about to hit the lows here now, so be careful. How about some what stocks? Fed speaking today? No, they're not, Sam. So Fed is on Wednesday. And the S&P, again, the fact that Russia and all that stuff is happening is not a good thing, right? So it's driving you nuts. Yeah, you guys want to buy? Yeah. Sim in, skill in, all in. Skill in, skill in, all in. Skill in equals all in. Doug, scaling in is not all in, guys. It's 10%, 5%, right? Slowly. This is like the reverse of FOMO. Yep. La, la, la. Biden has meeting with European leaders today and about Russia. Unbelievable, guys. So Biden has a meeting today, guys, with European leaders about Russia. So this could be an absolute like rubbish of a day, right? So this could even get like worse. If there's not a spy low, SH all time highs. Yeah, SH is a really nice play actually. So I just completely forgot about SH there. Pablo, thank you for the reminder. Yeah, SH was what I played like back in the day when the market would struggle, right? So SH, so SH is just yeah, you can play the QQQ, you can play SQQQ, you can play the right, you can play the VIX if you want to, but yeah. Peloton. Not scaling in is like jumping head first in shark infested waters, Carlos. Yeah, absolutely. Spontaneous says, what's going on with AMC? uh, what's going on with AMC? AMC is selling off just like everything else, spontaneous, right? The market is crashing. Well, retracing, correcting, right? The market is correcting. Why? Because of the Fed on Wednesday, inflation, right? Because of tensions, political tensions, right? Russia and whatnot, right? So the whole bunch of things happening, right? And AMC is not going to go against that, though, right? So yeah, AMC is absolute rubbish now. So you like sharks? Gonna be a rough week in your opinion, Nick? Yeah, it looks scary out there, so be careful. Aussie says, yeah, stay strong, nothing to worry about. AMC sister, yeah, there you go. So everything, guys, it doesn't matter what you're holding, right? Anything that's long, right? It's selling off, struggling as the market sells off together, right? So, yeah. So if you have any questions, guys, ask before we take a break, right? And come back later, right? So, yeah, there you go. And if you really really need help, right, if you really really need help and you're struggling, right, and you're not a member, you're not in Discord, you can always just send an email, right, send an email to the email at the top of the screen there, and I'll try and get to you, so yeah, if you need help, email at the top of the screen there, guys. So again, don't struggle alone, right, don't struggle alone, together here. AMC's I will remember that. But Andrew, it's rubbish just like the rest of the market though. It's rubbish. Like the whole market is rubbish. Everything is. Not just AMC. It's you take a look at the market, right, and tell me and give, is there a name that isn't like really like rubbish? Tesla, rubbish, right? So if I can say the S&P is rubbish, I can say AMC is rubbish. Um, AMC has huge movies in 2022. I mean, AMC had a movie Spider-Man last whatever, and it didn't help, right? So, uh, yeah, nah, nah. I wish I could run a call on your patience because you have plenty of it. You really get annoyed with these questions, Ron. I know. I wish I could run a. Yeah, not Spider-Man. I mean, Spider-Man was a pretty big movie though, right? AMC sister, and it we hope that it would help AMC pump. No, it didn't never happened, right? So now seeing a 28 would unfounded with all the micro fact nah against the market, so many long puts, yeah, so I think we might need to yeah, Zoltan, yeah, for a year now, and you're never selling it spontaneous, you're never selling AMC, never selling, wow, never selling. Oh yeah, the SCP just going off, falling off the cliff down now, guys. I guess it's selling off hard. Here's where the market is the market is for you, Carlos. That's a really good that's a really good point, right? So if you can write this out, the market is for you, right? So here's how you know the market is for you, guys. If you can write this wave out, right? If you wrote COVID, right, you can write this out again. You can do anything in the market, right? So you've been on a losing streak the past 4 days. Isa, 5 star, yeah, I know. This market is finished. This Thomas says the market is finished. Honestly, it's absolute rubbish. I think Blaze eats a bunch of edibles and just stays blazed. Honestly, Aussie, that's what we might need to do now, right? So, just some edibles and just this is it's no longer funny now, right? So it's this is how we feel now. This is how we feel. Um, yeah, the market is on not on the right track here. La la la. Time to short it, Johnny. If you can see signs of weakness, right? If you can see signs of weakness, yeah, absolutely. Next is high trades, high trades, guys. So we're gonna leave and create a new channel called High Trades. Um, it's no longer business, honestly, Andrew. It's no longer business. This is we've hit a new this is where we are now. This is not the market is rubbish. Yeah, you have to. Like, you really have to. Um, Otherwise, you're gonna drive yourself crazy. Bought my first spy puts and made money. We vertigo pulse. Yeah, absolutely right. So those puts, that's the way to go now. You're not feeling those, Tova? Nope. Everything. William would approve. Yeah, William is gonna be the yeah. If we don't laugh, we will cry. Exactly. So again, guys, like we talked about on Sunday and earlier this morning, right? Base cases down Monday, Tuesday into the Fed on Wednesday, right? So if you can sit on your hands, keep sitting on your hands, right? So try not to rush into anything, stocks, crypto, anything, right? So unless you're scaling in slowly into long-term positions, if not, be safe, right? So there you go, right? So smash a like if you haven't. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. 30 more likes. Let's go. Smash a like. Let's get to 200, guys. And then that was more than 1,000 points. Yep, it's a crash. It's a correction. It's a market correction, guys. So um, I hold many stocks, no puts, no options. Just hold on, AMC sister. Yeah, it's always nice to get insurance, right? It's always nice to get some insurance, buying puts, right? Puts, insurance in a market like this. Yeah, we might need to, right? So some puts as insurance. Johnny, thank you very much. So I think we hit an iceberg and it was sinking. Victor, unbelievable. I think it's always amazing how how negative it can be when the market retraces. Can we cry? Can we click a cry button, William? I know, I know. I know, guys. Again, hopefully we can take solace in the fact that its market goes on cycles, right? We do this all the time, right? We had this back in 2020, right? So market crash due to COVID. Did we recover, guys? Yes, we did, right? We eventually hit new all-time highs, like like stocks were pumping and pumping, right? So maybe that's something we pay attention to, right? So up, down. Oh yeah, wow. This is wow. uh, never. I'll never let it go, dog. Without without you on this run, Pablo, I know. A correction, and the Titanic smashed and the Titanic smashed the what? Yeah, I don't know. Um Pixie's the next AMC. Yeah. AMC is even AMC is not the next AMC. AMC is the next Titanic. No, eventually patience, guys. When the market did retrace because I had no clue what puts were. Now you're balling, Alex. Absolutely right. So if we 370, 370 for potential retracement for the S&P. 370. Wow, wow, wow. So interesting. VIX is this week's AMC. The VIX is, yeah. I mean, the VIX has been the play for the last week, though, right? The last 2 weeks, Christian, right? The VIX, pump, pump, pump it. So when Honda, when green, when bicycle, when scooter, guys, when skateboard, when a pair of shoes, when a pair of flip flops, when when yep, yep. Here you go. When walking, guys, when stop crying, when roller skates, honestly, when ramen, Nick, when ramen, when ice cream money, when when $1, when Aussie, when look at that. It's like we're getting one. Look at like what's amazing here is the fact that we get a whole bunch of red candles and we get one green candle. Like that's it, and then red, right? So again, lower is what it wants to do there. So when food stamps, when air, when stop sobbing, when stop crying and like breathe. Um, you when Nick says when ramen. I still say when moon, Steve, when Xanax. Yeah, unbelievable, honestly. When tiny green candle, when when a series of green candles, when homeless shelter. Yeah, I think there's a double forming on the BBIG 1 minute. You know what, Andrew, that can suck it too. Uh, when GoFundMe, Victor, when GoFundMe, guys. The RDS scalp. Okay, nice, nice hue. Nice, nice, nice. Gonna have to go back to when payday soon. When payday, guys, you know what? We're all gonna hang up. Hot Treats is gonna have to take a break. We're about to go. We're about to go look for. There you go. Almost at 200 likes, guys. So smash a like if you haven't already. Let's get to 200, guys. So smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And here we go. Come on. When green candle, maybe this is it, right? So maybe we can bounce here now. Is there hope though? We'll see. We'll believe it when we see it. We'll believe it when we see it. Because this green candle is just another adopting me. No, Andrew, more like the other way around. Is there anybody considering guys? I'm up for adoption. Can someone adopt me, please? Can you know, I need a I need a 40%, Dan. Yeah. I know he was scalping that one. I'm 40 and I like avocados. No, Andrew, the other way around. I need adoption. Times get rough. Beth, I need help. Um, when adoption, yes, when adoption, guys, is what I need. And it's yeah. No, we have like honestly, guys. I know we're all like in the same. Oh, most of us in the same predicament and struggling, right? So and we're not laughing because it's funny. It's just because we have to find ways to cope with this, right? So and eventually get back to the good times. Because like being negative now isn't going to help anybody, right? So again, you have to try and stay as positive as possible, right? It's tough. It's tough. It's just part of the cycle, right? Up, down, up, down. So again, try not to beat yourself up too much, please, right? Try not to try. Don't be too hard on yourself. It's just part of it, right? We're eventually gonna hopefully recover, right? So again, if you need help, right, please ask. Please ask someone, right? So talk to someone. We might, ask in Discord, send a DM in Discord, right? So send a DM to anybody in Discord. Someone's gonna help you out. Send a DM to this, it's the email at the top there. So um, yeah. Android. No, I thought yeah. Sane, yeah, sane-ish. I know Beth, sane-ish guys. So still not BBIG, Bobby. Okay, types of streams really help. We will recover soon enough. Code says absolutely right. So yeah, absolutely, guys. At four from okay, nice, Bobby. Good job. Good job. So again, if you have questions, right, please ask. Let me take a look. 80 still. Yeah, it's actually held around 27 really nicely. Like around 27. Yep. Like Peloton has been like one of the best names today. Like surprisingly, Peloton, right? Like off of 2680 here, right? It's trying to hold it, right? So yeah, and 27, it's been holding more than most. So, which is really interesting. Really interesting. And here goes the S&P again, guys. Here we go again. When a hedges fry. Oh yeah, the hedge funds always plenty of what catalysts ahead, Steve. What are the catalysts? I mean, it's been 6 months now for BBIG, right? No catalyst. So, Steve, to say that BBIG is the best play with plenty of catalyst, I don't know for the market. Again, BBIG moves on sentiment, right? On hype, on technicals, right? So that's all we have to keep paying attention to, right? So two words for the market this morning. Jerome Powell, interest rates must be increased. Printing is not sustainable, and we're ready. I honestly don't know how does that just kept happening, right? So we're printing and printing and printing and printing. Like, what do you like? As what do you think like what do you think happens after you're done printing, right? So like, what do you think? No, like no offense, but like as you keep printing fake money, well, not fake money, but like you keep printing like trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars, right? um you're printing trillions of dollars to bail out companies, to do this, to do that. What do you think happens when you're done spending all that money? Where's that money going to come back from, right? So um unbelievable, right? This is what happens, and it's annoying, right? This has been an expectation for a lot of people, right? So just check my nah, minus 60, you're minus 67%. Time to start day drinking, Aussie. um yeah, it's like it's unbelievable, like like shit. Yeah, there you go. Nah, if this was Hot Trades After Dark, I would say I'm going to become a so you don't, yeah, like I don't know what to say. Like Zoltan, I don't know. Like it's as like as like as an institute, like as a government body that you're supposed to look out for everybody else, right? So all this printing that you're doing, what do you think happens after that? You think that money just it just goes poof and then like nothing happens, right? Um, it's what should so I don't know what to tell you. No, just you should just shut down everything. We should just shut down everything and let everybody struggle for a week or two. Um, no bailouts, no bailouts, because this is what happens, right? So it's part of the cycle, though, right? Hopefully, we can recover soon. Um, Dan, Dan says, "What do you think of for picture? What do I think of it? I haven't seen it. BTC, haven't seen it. When eggs, when eggs. What do you mean when eggs? Eggs are a luxury. When eggs, no such thing as eggs, guys. Eggs are now a luxury. When go to the garbage can behind McDonald's, guys, and not yeah. Uh, run for your run for your lives, Victor. Run for your lives. Run for your lives. My eggs of for what? Chicken eggs or chicken eggs? Hard to call bottom, but I would say this is about it, Bobby. So the last time we crashed, right? So we hit the bottom was around, was it 320? It was something 20. So the last time the market crashed, it was something 20. So is the S&P gonna bottom here at 420 now? 420, guys. We bottom here again. If we could start creating some higher highs, and then yeah, okay, cool, right? So, but puts, right? Those have been that's been the play, right? So puts has been the play, right? Is it still the play now? That's a different question. So, no joke. I have 10 chickens. Guess I should start selling some eggs. It's a different now, guys. This is business, and business has changed, right? So yeah, it's bouncing nicely of Peloton is like Peloton's an absolute monster, guys. Like 1480 over and over and over, right? It's bouncing off that level, like 1480, really nice scalps off that level there. So yeah, very nice. Very nice. Peloton. Yeah, Peloton's one of like it's really amazing for scalping here today. So it's consistent, right? So of those levels, very consistent. Mhm. Is playing soon. Let us go and watch the match. Uh, then do this for today, Gaston. That's what I'm going to do in the next few minutes here, Gaston. What time does it start? How many minutes away? Can you? La, la, la. Uh, is, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. La la la. Ooh. Okay, I'm back. So can you explain? Can you explain S VXY and why it runs with the S&P and not inversed. So I'm going to put a statement. I'm going to put out. So 1 second here. Give me a quick second. So take a look at this document here, Christian. So um, that should give you an explanation of like what it is. Uh, gonna drop us off at daycare without snack money. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, Damon. Devin says, "You're seriously gonna drop us off at daycare without snack money?" I mean, Damon, there's no money to give you. The bribery is real. The bribery, yep, right. There's no money. Damon, I would give you snack. There's no snack money today. Go to daycare. You're gonna have to beg for food from the other kids. Tell the other kids. Tell your daycare teacher. It's a struggle. Right. Um, that says was crude. No, guys, no, no, no. Ice cream. Snack money went down with the market, Victor. Yep, snack money. Yeah, tell the other kids, please. If you can give me some crackers, I promise I'll pay you back in 2024 when we're in grade in grade whatever. Green again, barely, but green. Alisa, onto the next market debut. Good job, Green. Uh, Saltines, you get the free snacks. Yep. Free snacks, guys. No, it seems like we're trying to form a little support here, right? So if we can, that's amazing. Then maybe we can pump again, right? So see if we can form a nice little base here, guys. Cheerleader back on. We're just fine. We're just fine. There you go. And Peloton? Yep, Peloton, right? So off that again, off that level at 2680 there, amazing. How nicely that thing bounces off. There you go, SPY. Avila. Um Apple calls for Friday. Apple calls. Okay, interesting. Some Apple calls, guys. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, those calls maybe is it time to flip over to calls, guys? Unbelievable. Go away. Some of this music is Robert it doesn't. So that's yeah. I'm going to listen to my brother a lot more now. After yeah. It's all about club crackers. Club crackers, guys. Again, ask the other kids, please. My, the market is struggling. I have no snacks for daycare. Please, can you give us some snacks, please? Um, Spider, Ames and GME hit hard. Yeah, it's because like think about it, all right. So when the market struggles, right? When the market struggles, what do people sell first? Right? People are not going to sell Tesla and people don't sell Tesla and Apple first. What do they sell first? They sell the rubbish first, right? When I say rubbish, I don't mean rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. I mean like rubbish as in okay, well, they start looking at fundamentals. They're like, in 100 years, what's still going to be here? Is AMC going to be here? I don't know. Is Tesla going to be here? Most likely, right? So that's what people look for, right? People look for safety. So they start getting rid of their portfolio, like the weak links, right? So that's why you see names like AMC sell up hard, GME, right? Why? Because they're meme stocks. People get rid of meme stocks first, right? Before they start looking at, okay, well, Tesla, okay, maybe Apple. Well, Apple, we know Apple is always going to do well. Tesla always going to do well, right? So, but they get rid of the rubbish first. You give him this easy, you give him the easy one. Yeah. So might be time for some long calls, guys. Might be time. AMC is 100 years old. AMC is over 100 years old. Yeah, in that 100 years, what has it done though? Aussie, that's the question. They went from to the lows, so we're about to go from the highs to the lows again. So it's just again, it's just what people do though, right? When the market struggles, people get rid of the wick again, the meme stocks first, right? Before they get rid of anything else. So homeworking? No, absolutely not. Today's market, Alan. Yeah, it's been rubbish, guys. Absolute rubbish, and it's not even stopping, right? So it hasn't even stopped yet. So yeah, we're still sitting at the lows here, guys. Right? We're trying, right? But this doesn't look good at all. What's Bitcoin at, guys? Bitcoin is actually pumping. Bitcoin is actually pumping nicely here, right? So Bitcoin is almost at 35,000 there. So it's recovering. It's trying to, right? So Doge is at 13 cents, right? Which is interesting. So the only green stocks I know, right? And yeah, Peloton is still green. Yeah, no, Peloton has been really amazing today. Like Peloton, look at Peloton, guys. As the market struggles, Peloton holds up. Again, it's had some really good support at 26, right? 2670, right? So 2680 is your scaling level for Peloton. Is done really well today. Like it's done really, really well. So a few scalps on Peloton, and those ones have done really well, right? So everything else rubbish, right? So is mRNA a long term play? I mean mRNA is a COVID play, right? So um, but we do know they have the technology, right? Is used for other other sectors, right? So not just the COVID play, but it mostly relies on COVID. So just be long term play off the right level. Anything's a long term play. So off the right level though. I smell an EMC. You smell a EMC Gen 2021 repeat? Just chilling. Hmm. You smell AMC pumping. Um, COVID is dead. I mean, COVID really isn't the issue though, right? The issue for a while was COVID, COVID, COVID. It's no longer the issue. Like the issue now is inflation, interest rates, Russia, right? So things like that. So that's why the markets really struggled, right? Um, we've had different strains of COVID come out in the last few months. They haven't caused this much disaster because people really the market doesn't really AMC Day is Blaze knows it. Everything day Wednesday, Andrew. So hopefully AMC can pump on into Wednesday, right? So would love that very much. Would absolutely love for AMC to to just absolutely explode. We all would, right? So maybe this will cause maybe it will, right? So maybe it will. Maybe it will actually, yeah, right. There you go. Another 80% that last week. Yeah, it's been a disaster. And so almost there, guys. So 7 more likes to 200, guys. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second to smash a like. Let's get to 200 likes. So smash a like. And hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. Again, if you have any questions and you're struggling and you're scared of with your positions, right? Let us know, please, right? So again, don't struggle alone, right? So if you need help, ask in Discord, ask in the chat, send an email, right? You don't want to be going through this alone, right? So we celebrate the gains together, right? So we might as well cry together. So again, if you need help, it gets tough. Like the market is tough, guys, right? So it's emotional. Like it's gonna test you, right? But if you can get through this, if you can get through all of this, guys, you're gonna do really well, right? So yeah, Peloton is looking really good there, right? So uh, yeah, there you go. And so come join us in Discord. So Virus just shared the link there, guys, from Nightbot. So come join us in Discord if you want to become a member. Come join us in Discord, guys. Margin calls Wednesday. Andrew, honestly, we've heard so many dates on dates on dates on dates, right? So yeah, dates on dates on dates, guys. Come on, let's bump. There you go. When test over, test over for what? The old guy. There's really few at the no. There you go. Oh wow, Peloton. Yeah, no, that's okay. So let me know if you have any last questions, guys. EMC mooning, not if this is not mooning. I mean, is anything mooning though? So if you have any last questions, guys, let us know so we can I'm enjoying averaging down a lot. Honestly, you are, yeah. Right. If you believe in what you're buying, all right. So good scaling and opportunities, right? So um, there you go. So again, smash the like if you haven't. So thank you guys very much for smashing the like, right? So hit that subscribe if you're new. I'm enjoying averaging down. La la la. Okay. The floor at Queen. Yes. Okay. Yeah. No. Everything is wow. Um, kiss. Yeah. Debit spreads. Spider. Debit spreads. Um, debit spreads for you. A little bit of safety as well. So. Debit spreads. Yeah, we need the mark again. So you can see that the S&P is trying to bottom here, guys, right? So for the last, we've had massive sell-offs, right? But it seems like we're trying. In this range here, we're really trying to hold. So let's see if we can hold and pump, right? See if we can hold and pump. and that's gonna help everything else as well, right? So come on, SPY, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we are all the lines from our Big Daddy. You like put pudding. When they care, now they care. Now they care. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna leave it here for now, right? So again, be safe today, please, and thank you. Right. This might be a good opportunity. Like this might be a good level to look for some long term calls, right? There you go, right, guys. You can see what the S&P is doing now, right? So again, nice potential bottom here, right? And we're trying. See if we can get back about 424 here, right? It's trying. So not gonna say we've hit the bottom yet because we need to clear resistance, right? But it's trying to bounce here, and I'm sure that's gonna help everything else as well. So that thing does really need to go. So again, be safe. Don't rush into anything, please and thank you. Good day to start on OnlyFans. Yeah, guys, it's time to start on OnlyFans. Um, so again, be safe out there, please. Don't rush into anything. No actors in Canada, or only singers. Smash the like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to become a member, come join us in Discord. Right. So later, alrighty, guys, have a good rest of the day. At least to the best that you can. Stay positive, please. Right. It's part of the game. Right. It's part of the game here. So keep it positive. Right. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Soda. Okay, sounds good. Be safe. Katie, be safe. Scotty. Let's go, Scotty. Have a star, money. NJ later. Andrew, see you later. See you in Discord, Hangman. Alex, well, nah. Ron, later, Ron. Jose, yo, late. What's going with the market? The market is dropping hard because of inflation, interest rates on Wednesday, right? And we talked about this again, expecting the market to sell off into Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, right? And hopefully bounce into the Wednesday, right? So hopefully, BTC love you too, Doug. Dan, time for daycare. Bernard, be a huge opportunity. Gains incoming soon. Yeah, absolutely. Peace, Art, Yanis. There you go. William, see you later. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys.